bo edidiwa ye boa etimi everything usika no etimi the mount ye no hye pa ene birthday for the rest top up no okom agents bia na bibia ye bo mode mobile money na unsampa omo ayi ne bo a ye top up no ne won hye be bread ma birthday bet your way na mbo na hye no so no ende da ye kama so no entimi emfama na ntoto ye no nko ye so no entimi emfama na bibia so no nenda ye so emfama no so achi no asedani bi nko entimi emfama nature medics ezanzo mo na abo mode ari nupa no etimi aba onom ebeboa na nesisi omundo no ebi edimpa heba mesha my goodness Maria na edunya typhoid fever ewa wanum ato untimi didi adidi edi ehia yebe didi asasi su akwa kodidi wo so ahemamo ena for wa to so honam no emu yo ya mepatwe edimpa heba mesha no neboa na wegia na so mo na di gasto mesha na bana we no eye super fantastic ezanze oyo obi a oyefunta ha osa edunya unya gasto mesha na ebe na etimi yi eri fi ona aboa mo wegia na so na menso plus mesha no yere abade ama yenu ama no baby girls no mama baby ncheche enye denya akono eba ne sa na sundwe etimi abafie bo so me so obunsa na eka odwene ama de dia na che so nya menso plus mesha na ebe na eyi ne kama pretimi re fi ona mfi ono etwa ho yopontu o hawa fa number ina kan ha oton ya nya no edu 0248 7788899 0248 nupai no abusu se champana ewo dwama sukuma simisi aba obenya dodo na to jefeba ewo mankesi pena heba ewo Cape Coast nindia eba ewo takrade nanaboache heba akra ne temana fe kus pharmacy ewo ashaima yenkonko jibine mboa na ne madeda di performa drinks ni yemienu pe eno na aboa ma nei no yenya awodin sonko a yebu ejuma bako eye mixer 5G no yere habamba ni nduaba na aye cafe sembia rimti ama awodin sonko a uja na se Ghana o ma adwena de nya no grapes no eye yem niam no adwuma jensen no eyi ntini ma moja no edi efusane a niam akoye pretimi edema mo na di mizo fruit drinks na ba na mo edeye papa organic fruit suso ene edi ayeti ne eye na aba ngabadi nto na aba de dodo na aba be hye mo no na wa bomo de a serve o mo na abo ama na ma dadin pa edi amount number ni 0246 270-221 0246 270-221 0558 106-348 0558 more istino mon forma ni chemo Share Company Limited for idia na number is 0243 329 414 0243 329 414 na fe KF Kinju Enterprise or ni chemo no motel swamia Kumasia ojibi ono so na number no 054 4483 392 054 4483 392 ni amwa na onso no jibi mo overseas no mon 21st clinic manager Daniel obema mu bi Mama Esther oru na choma outcome Royal Ventures no Watra Baptist University Bwakwa ojibi na PNC Ventures Armanje Taxi Station of Charity Hospital Junction no obajibi na Sachi Enterprise Asafo Abinchi of VIP car park no onso abusu se chapo yankonko jibi na mwa na ne mande da yepa environment mamenko mema na trase odi eramu amano ne kobo ne bomode na etimi erame de amana otonwum bia na
enyum de se oma omunim nyumani so na me no muhia betonwum because how to folk omu coach no Copman na asa no na ewo nwuma ewo se wode sasa na nye
adu ona betima to za no
se musician there also you very dynamic
okwa azori na otonwum
Anglican da bi
na ontonwum
na me servant
okay but ni za ma betonwum ba
wo
sorry
okay see kura manim na baba obi aso se enfre na ante
ma koji champions of champion ajiji ayi bebre ka
send ma ka kire no e bia wona nyum tufo ni wo
nyonto pa
sa
ya nyum wo efi oni za me ma me lidi ekuo bi ye from odo ekuo ko Church of the Lord Brotherhood me ma me boni mi na da kuma yi video ba kwa cho
o ma me kra de ono kra de mate but akwadanse woni a
also say
nti wonyum to do fa
me papa so to nyom san bobo ti na me bobo to nyom
na ma me fan che mo dene enkoma Atebebu Amanten constituency NDC
okay
omo vice chairman Moro Kwasi na no yesu na na se oto ne badin
okay
na opiem wo Atebebu Amanten NDC amanyuko no one vice chairman adwuma de obobi papa nkofo krafe no Mr. NDC
okay
o Atebebu kokrompi so da komede wo bekọ ho
Mate Adebu de oze ko
kokrompi ne Atebebu na bomti omo mo hwedwuma de ni nyina no mo nchia Moro Kwasi NDC atibi Boamante constituency vice chairman mo ncha na no pay fa maye pa
fa me kwa amano ne sa amano ne dede
o mu de na brana se awie du na no pay a ma yen sha se emfri US Open tennis no eguso etodwa na akopemo New York ne importam a ho aye pinso na anopai emema no na so pemo round of 16 the fourth runner enya banawie ya ma bi be set the tip off so me de to anim no esa Brent Alexander Zverev and Sena at Jenna Banawie, I may say the normal setter, opium or a quarter-final stage, a Carlos Alcaraz, and Alexander Zverev, and a bit Messia, me patromian show Musa Flyer, no, the bear come and send a member quarter-finals, no, a Bessiaco, a chassis, and na upiama, I had this games in the Tuka, a member Nashim, I had this say, and a Bessiaco, and above 5-30, a Novak Djokovic, a shall arrive for the Taylor. No more so and watching and Anadri about 12:30 and also Francesc Tiafoe about Ben Shilton on the quarter-final games and watching on let's say 4 p.m. Carlos Alcaraz and Alexander Zverev as well as so and watching on also Roma let's say 4 p.m. and you Daniel Medvedev as well Andrei Rublev as well as Meshama Bibia I come and you memano open so from quarter-finals now bus singles and now I said now yenta brand friend of Zverev brand pay what me che brand friend Janik Sena to me shade that's on Carlos Alcaraz and Ekoshao now we am show Usrana we say and Usiaka Edia Fahon if say Carlos Alcaraz and there Obian Majuma Obetma the auditorium mini
Sompa Sports. I mean, I'm here to play. That's what I love doing. I don't know what it will end up, but I will give it my absolute best, like I always do. I'll fight until the last moment. Of course, I have to recover after this physical match, but yeah, I'll be ready.
Kick your feet up, buddy. Amazing effort, Carlos Alcaraz.
I know I am summer or Reverend Alexander Zverev Eddie Tuja as one of by US Open or Baba Juma no or ne Carlos Alcaraz there no when him debe kwakosi baby abebe Tobiasu employee de obe wini biano obe kon akona nim na obe bought ne best na nwachi ena wurama yantwa brana ni game no cost no o kacha ampa no ese obi atem wo ho ayisu sa ade no mo person bete sa the famous Hitler phrase no obia yusu adama no munya sa video na nka mepe abrana game no ekoso na otwa eye verify this all can be the empire as obia yusu sa famous Hitler phrase no eso ade akire no adana ni anye ho otwa the middle of game na no ekoso na nani njohwe ene okwa akoka the empire no as obia yusu sa famous Hitler phrase no na ese ade enyenyenyenye emepa me cheche madama na Roma, me patron wo catch and yantwa brana the security man. Roma mo kwako hante, akwa nipa. Wo team eye sadia no security man no. And any no ma, omo ekọ nipa wo ye sadia no. No mo ahunipa no he. Omo spend close to 10 minutes. Answer di nya no. No mo nya nipa na bra. Omo tene ekọ no. Na crowd na oni nyina. And hu wa ferry when you when mo gwase. And no so mo bono omo tene ekọ. And no e de dawa ye checha mo. Esu edama ewo dwumadi no so yenche Jimmy Balla a brother game no owre fero Alexander Zverev ahomachiya ni game no cost na Jimmy Balla opemo MB Miami Heat on superstar oba dwumadi mo on so ebe witness game no ehwema game no the gentle boy ono ene to ohwema bia fan mame ntwa bra game no pere okwa wo Carlos Alcaraz eka chance okwa na kwana wo kono nyame pa weekend obeba back on Carlos Alcaraz and no what's the weekend meba be show game na day US Open obekwa na eno Jimmy Balla and so on Carlos Alcaraz etime show mu din koma am bia so fan fine eno dey pa mi jamo eso edama yentwa Aaron Judge so American baseball player opemo New York Yankees ho eno bonu dwuma na Aaron Judge eso etimbe piemo na obaye ebe gracie occasion no ama dwumade ne kama na bra short bi koye edima eye Zverev no eno se yes power no dia me pɛ no ɛna ɔmatumi so no na ɔno so no yɛntwɛ Carota Boys no na Carota Boys no ɔmo address it say Carrot no ɔmo ɛyɛ fans of ɛyɛ Janik Sena ɔmo so abra no ɔmo ba abɛ support to Sena no so ankɔ from the Carota Boys ɛna upem US Open a ɔmo nyina tumi bae nya ɛntwɛ ɛma no Ons Jabel arewo sɛm sɛ Ons Jabel Africa ɔna ne etianim na supem a ɛyɛ ade sɛ ababawa yɛfɛn ɛkumanisen atumi atwa na gyina frame na bra kɔ no ɔma no ɛyɛ ovation bia na no ɔdene ne nyina no som se ɔyɛ happiness minister na sɛ minister of happiness no ɔmo se ɛba New York a da bia no ɔma na kɔ abɔ nsamra na ababawa brɛ ne nyina so struggle yɛ with illness a na pom do nsam ɛnhyɛ da nkɔnkan ama no ɛka bi ɛna sɛ wɔntuma advance ankɔ n'anim no na ababawa fɛn Arena Zabalenka ɛso no so far opiem ɛwɔ ɛyɛ quarterfinals a the last 5 Grand Slams a watimi abɔ nyina no ebia wanya ade akra no opiem ɛwɔ quarterfinals wohwɛ 2022 US Open a ɔkɔ semifinals Zabalenka ɛkɔ 2023 Australia Open owiniye ɛno akyi 2023 Roland Garros odru semifinals ɛna wohwɛ Wimbledon a 2023 odru semifinals ɛne sɛ wohwɛ 2023 a yɛsɛ wɔpiem wɔ quarterfinals ɛne Arena Zabalenka no na yɛntwɛ man quarterfinals no ɛno so ɛyɛ set a ɛno so ɛhyɛ aseɛ ama bia yɛ fine na so piem asɛ ne bɛsi akɔ ɛne yɛ Coco Golf no ɔne Ostapinko ɛne bɛhyia ɛno ɛyɛ game bia ɛbɛto dwa ɛne 4 p.m. ɛno akyi ɛbɔ 11 p.m. a ɛno so ɛyɛ Sorana Sestia wɔne ɛyɛ Carolina Mukova ɛso ɛbɛtumi ahyia na Vantrozova ɛso ɛtumi abɔ ne Madison Keys ɛna ɛbɛhyia na Arena Zabalenka ɛso no Zeng ɛso ɛde apem so ɛno ɛde down no yɛntismo Louis van Gaal na momfa saa video no bɔ na nkasa nto so wobɛka World Cup to Kata abra na quarterfinal game between Argentina and Netherlands no edru penalties and Argentina edi eyi oman a ye friend Netherlands edo ma frame van Gaal si pempens in pain wa babo ntabe kasa adaya wose World Cup we de omo ye bibia edi tum se de be ya eye Messi ebetimi age World Cup no and Mr. Van Gaal dia na wo ka no Van Gaal bia na no a wose asema me kan bi onyina so se munya daje twa Argentina ene Netherlands World Cup no man wohwɛ goals na bae ekra goals ne fa so bae wohwɛ ɛyɛ Argentina players omutimi tra ɛyɛ touch lines ne nyina no punishment bia entima kyese yomu ni namusa ɛkyerɛ sampa ɛyɛ World Cup no de omu design yɛ ɛso omu te ɛma etima yɛ fɛ Argentina omu play fɛ Messi ɛno ɛde dawa yɛ jeja mu join ya sa World Cup no ebi ɛne yɛ Argentina Netherlands no wɔso de wa hwɛ we mu nyina ade no mu yɛ som de ma akoa no wo hwa fa na na eto dwa ekoya 4-2 on penalties ma France Saint-Man you know also mu yɛ som de ade ne ma ɛyɛ na kuntunkuni ɛno yɛ nsɛm odi to dwa after the World Cup ɛna Louis van Gaal ɛso resign yɛ na ɛno akyerɛ Gareth Southgate England national team boss on so mete ɛsɛ after Germany Euro 2024 no or best step put down na or step put down a the meeting so many Manchester City boss yɛ Pep Guardiola edin komo ɛsɛ 2026 World Cup ebeto dwa US Canada Mexico no ɔmefa wɔn ɛmfa wɔn nkɔ ɛno yɛ nkɔmɔ a mahyɛ ase ametia medema na no penalty wɔ Italy the Azuris ɛnkyɛn Roberto Mancini ɛde adwuma no to hɔ ɔde to na kɔ a ɔpanyin ɔde Napoli ɛgye Scudetto no yɛfɛ Luciano Spalletti ɛna ɔmo de adwuma no yɛhwɛ ne first training session a wɔne the Azuris ɛso ɛtumi ayɛ na ɛsɛ no ɔmo nyina ɛkɔye ɛno ɛna so far twa ɔmo ahyɛ preparation ase ɛno ɔdi metes no ɛyɛ adwuma akrakra ɛno ɛde dawa yɛgyegya mu ɛde ama mo na nɔpai ɛwɔ dwumadie no so ma me touch way down na me knocking it down ɛmfama sɛ Jordan Henderson ɔba bɔnte abɛkasa for the first time wakyerɛm ne move na ɔkɔpiem wɔ Al Ittifaq wɔse ɔno na brabom no ɛnyɛ sika ɛna ɛyɛ ne motivation wɔ ne career mo Jordan Henderson speaks for the first time since arriving in Al Ittifaq, Saudi Arabia. Money didn't motivate me to come here. If I wear the LGBT armband and it disrespect their religion, then that's not good either. Everyone should respect religion and culture. That's why I think we are all trying to fight here in terms of inclusion and everything. You know, years ago, for example, women or children probably couldn't play football, but now I'm there. There's a baby Urama, no matter pray or Saudi. On say a baby captain for no, I'm pan bomb the bomb say a gay for no, or more a callous in the Rempo callous no. Now, or says Wako Saudi, now so on the Sadian Yana Mwa, also respect to culture, and o mama mre, na also odi to no option on no do mumran so. Then watch I'm ready to side in Quada and Macran or Momo, as to Namunche, Sanoman etwetwe na kakra onimisa no ma ebetuma adwan obi kase sika enti enamani free Liverpool ekopem Saudi ono na brabom sika motivate no. If any of these people club or the owners said to me now we want you to stay, then we wouldn't be having this conversation. Odruba no say Liverpool for pe ena no mo mpere so mo kase nkontina mpa ankono betina enu enso de to dwana all it yard ese mo sala maso ma prepare the big offer and they pay say 235 million euros and somebody pay Liverpool no much more seller edina kokwa some transfer deadline no epe close no no broker deal na Ruben Diaz as a player bia or Bodman Man City na on one country mana of Portugal na or Bodman Wolves your friend Matheus Nunes and a swab PMO A City and you answer one casa ultimate or a Portuguese in no then I can.
Fico muito feliz e acho que ficamos todos nós, enquanto portugueses, que mais português se tenha juntado ao Manchester City. Como é óbvio, nos dias de hoje é dos melhores clubes do mundo e, portanto, eu como português, como colega dele, feliz por ele, mas acima de tudo, e como disse, como português, muito feliz que mais jogador.
Or say Nania Papa as a Brantano, as a Bawanya, another Portuguese player. Also, I join Man City, and we are some of their tutor. Young the arrival of Cameroonian players, no, Garua, Ninans are more prepared for Saturday, or more Afghan qualifier against Omni Burundi, and a so far team no, Opium or Garua, or any set team no air camping for air Saturday, 7 p.m. Gamer, Omni Burundi, Ebaba, our Bia, your 4 Ella, a whole and a sofa team no or more arrival more shall prepare maybe bia so I come na young Nigeria for 3 more than power young money more players don't be ball against Sao Tome and Principe Abba Nigeria for more air strikers who attack his way and what dene papa more obitse abrantia your friend air tawo awuni home patch or Ricardo crowd and the atoso na ya chena bibia ya kama if so sure we say Mosi Simon mo o try obitse Ademola Lukman o try obiti say air gift Urban now we try Victor Osimhen Sasso na abrantia ya Victor Boniface o try Samuel Chukwueze na o try Kelechi here na cho o join ya on mo and a dasa attack his way and Nigeria for the Asia Sao Tome for and no the tower at the Emma on Hansi Flick said I'm to no say Brantia yeah Nicholas Falkirk a Brantia any day one team more game to be Tuesday against France and until over free camp nurse wako or join the club open ho and yes I know my Brantia no Kobobia ni brand be graduate and no edge fro eba ya demand rough Guerrero on no so far pemo Zabna structure on so oh yeah any training for the comeback no na be piaso aye fine and no edge dawa ye jamo eso edama nyantre Alejandro Badi and Lamine Jamal wo Barcelona after international break omo be ya omo extension jama Barcelona Badi ebe sign 5-year deal e dia kan contract on Barcelona one ho akosi 2028 release clause ebe 1 billion euro na Lamine Jamal as a 3-year deal and also kosi 2026 na release clause no so I 1 billion euros and no air de fro eba ye jejam edamamo na Luis Suarez so Ayobia so far on so no what a message be ama o reference João Felix na message in a dasono o say I hope this new stage goes very well crack ɛno ɛnsama wɔde ato n'anim ɛno ɛde pana Inter Milan after international break now yɛ sɛ betuma announce the contract renewal ɛda manager yɛfɛ ne Simone Inzaghi so payment na wie agreement na ɛyɛ done as of extension kwasi 2025 salary of 5.5 million euros bonuses ka ho ɛno ɛde bet emamo na Kvaratskhelia urama renewal talks ano on Napoli no yɛse agina adaya ɔno ɛpɛ 5 million euros na 1 million euros asabe ka na bonuses na akwa 6 million euros Napoli so 3 million euros ɛno na so for ska ɔgeno ɛyɛ 1.4 million euros ni agent no Italy bankomo no ɔma stop it si sika no offer Napoli di mom no ya ye boni ayefo ɛno ɛde from so ɛba ye jeja mu ɛdama na no pai na Manchester United ɛwɔhye Eric Bailly wɔhye no all the best good luck so far no permit to anim ɛsɛ gi to mutually ɛma terminate contract opiem Manchester so take after 7 years with United and now we will Podman as a permanent player and we are dead na opema Tottenham Hotspur for say to one cassette we ubane deadline 10 yano crack as some to offer Roma Kono Gallagher no more peno nan common and no bia or man for 40 million pounds bianco and no edeba yet the Ultimadian so na Manchester United for almost say omuya branch Sofian Amrabat ne medicano detected ye ese owo eye back injury na chi no ga praka kra ho but enche or beba back and Harry Maguire ese obo no so ka chen say obe prepare obe so fighting for place United e no boduma kama e ma bia fine and no idea bana Wesley Fofana ese wa fina down for power Chelsea no man ani che na down for one ya was say a brand friend Hakim Ziyech and na down for ese oni obiani ni agro oni obiani ni nkomo and no idea down na Yao Felix ese ono so turning office way down Liverpool for friend United for friend Aston Villa and Al Hilal omunya friend ono mane 10 omu down awanko and no edie fro eba now Roman Mason Greenwood and opaya and public training session what atefe no eso yada ekoswa yemfama na se benya kama Mason Greenwood no masa akwa ne left nbe ye dwuma be poma asuma and no edie ba Mason Greenwood na daswa ya no na enura anwumre no ye presentation for the first time emani kasa on say issue ni pa won te say Mason Greenwood akasa na eno and for the first time we didn't same way to that.
Hi, good fans. It's Mason here. I'm so happy to be here and I can't wait to get started.
No idea. Tena Ramos so Johnny Sevilla no pamdi to name Ramos training Ature Pepe no Ramos Ature Pepe on so any Sevilla for the first time after 18 years of kwaya wabano on edi training maybe play kama na Madrid for said David Alaba and sit da ese Alaba any or there obekwa kopemo Etihad no Etihad for don betim bia mo mane nko eno ye de da na me pa cho owura ye friend Jadon Sancho sana ka Chelsea for Chelsea for nkomo kopene yese omo ne mindset no me de ne benye no mom kofa Eko Palmer e de ne ben na opem o Daily Mail omo editor ye fe no Rob Dropper e de atutwa ese boy no ohun se de esi na no Van Ha owura fe Eric Ten Hag e be ka se ni training no e ka ho bintina mo man fa na mo Arsenal game no e ho no so ba bonte be ka se o enye de obe kan de obi beti bia no mo bia mfa nya adwuma e na de me se o se onyi ni se short term and long term Jadon Sancho bebo adwuma edi ama Manchester United say eno yensema odi atudwe nyina so ne fansema odo a ye boaboa no ena no pai full time dwumadi so no ye mfansi Sompa 93.1
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa ahodo baskets ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa hedru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ye hia obe ya de say obe dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e won network bia so enia
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with the grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifie Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no nso beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fa na nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
21st Clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo sire mu. Na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sire mu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abasobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st Clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na 21st Clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gameparkgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
Alright, ya bobo na yen to aso abiafo na trans na yen ramu ni nkomo akra barere kwekwa no birthday specials na yen kwa enim na de akebia enramu kama pa entimi emfa emamontino momi anko ne bobo so ani ehwe sere ni mesi happy birthday nkwenfa ma Zainab Abdul Rahman orwani chimo golf port Mississippi ya America hona ni owo na wa papa Abdul Rahman ena mame Azumi Ramani almost ni eyoda nyina be pinpa nyamisha papa na oman kwatenten nkwa hode woniska na ne manko yepa entimi afama happy birthday sonko emfa Emma Vivian Aka orwani chema sankregwa ni Kwame Amo NSC enko emfa Viv na nyamisha nombo na de onso pebia no emramu kama so no entimi emfa na nema enso de daye kama so no entimi emfa Emma ebi so no ewramu fama mia mechama bakope Amin Ramadan na see where the Ramadan clothing or one chairman pame or seat Kesben driving school na hono so me man nyamisha papa na yoda no totiano nyande da ye pa emfama na onyo kese ebi nkwa emfama Linda fufu awuli lati eni so eye mami so ne da from ya mini pa Kofi blessing si enramu entimi emfama na nyame ensha na bibia so no ende da ye pa entimi emfama oba pa na ebi nko entimi emfa ema mami a ye friend Naomi Buampon wa oba same ewo atroni eno se enkwa emfama ye so ahafon totro so Zoma now ene samesi nyamisha papa na bibibia so no ende da ye so no entimi afama kama na totie no entimi akwe ne bi nkwan fama patient Abina Fusua enezu abina somewhere about 21st clinic or sienko entimi afama na yoda no nyamisha papa na bibibia so no ende da ye kama so entimi afama na totie no ende na special one enko enfama Habiba Haruna Bibilas collections or na ze mania man no ton or wari chemo abura asebu ono na Madam Grace Ansa Wilson na is a Mrs. Luther no police woman no wani chemo abura dunkwa ho no so no e wo si enrum kama pen fama Habiba na nyamisha na ne mande da ye kama so no entimi fama na afi apology enso ye teacher ni kese ba ko ayi program on fin di agro o ko pranga ho no wa ono so no ebu edwuma zo ti special one ramu fama na nema and da ye kama pa entimi fama ntima me ko na me ni me man enchance ye na enye ya dimi ya fami tum na me reso de dama na yanku anim na totoye no and da ye kama pa enfa ema bibia de da za wonpo mboko de nyama so ko kama de
oh yes nyame adoma hwe ni experience bibia de din abodia bi
na Muhammad Salah no wanya kwa na
oh there me say omo try for the last time Michael Eminalo mo na nyoma entimi antoto na abu de tie nie me yenche tie for ne mo makwa ba famba so passport na no pay na ye ni nkomo we kakra bi na other stories also ye fanto aso from amo offer no mo di kan anase omo ba in England on Thursday also am for your story say Saudi entourage akopie mu England enra Monday no mo didi omo nkomo no they were there on Thursday.
Oh okay,
they were there on Thursday no verbal offer no mo to Liverpool anim say omo 150 million pounds for Mohamed Salah na 150 million pounds no mo ko no mo sa pagya Salah ne omanim ana mo kache Mohamed Salah say se bogim bia na se sha obenya 55,000 pounds ye be sa ma ambassadorial role e wo 3 major Saudi companies mu ebia is 6 million pounds
ebia is
6 million pounds timiesa ne 18 million pounds Omubama Mo Salah 2.45 million pounds a week. That is approximately 10 million pounds a month. Multiplied by 12 months now 120 million pounds a year. 20 million pounds a year.
I want to break down man how we are mommy MCC.
Abu Dietieni. Omu winning game biana a 55,000 pounds. Winning bonus. 55,000 pounds. Omu winning game biana. Omemano ambassadorial role. There were 3 major Saudi companies.
Okay.
Ebia is 6 million pounds. It means 18 million pounds. Omuria, the salary no. Omemano 2.45 million pounds a week. O multiplied by 4 weeks now, approximately 10 million pounds. O multiplied by 12 months, 120 million pounds. O Salah. 80 million in Beckham. And winning bonus na mu kura so my
That's how the for no mo dey adwuma na fi board dey remember.
Ansa no mo wie ni nyina achi a Mohamed Salah Jesus ahodo obeton no. Owo mu 30%.
I'm say wo ni abusia for the way dit no monte. I want it. About na way there esesa bibia.
La 150 million pounds no. Oh yeah, where is asi wala.
Oh yeah, match wala.
Me match me.
Yala. Already you need to say.
Ah, to fuck radio damam. Damam.
Nah, I don't know 150 Liverpool for let's say they be about play. But there was a meeting after that particular kind of situation on one encounter.
Oyo omo pede. Ozo azam na kan nyina ba. Oyo omo pede. Omo pede. Omo pede.
Omo go chere dey na ba. Omo go chere dey.
Omo chere so you too. Hey. It's how this guy be other than math teacher.
I don't make 1 + 1 is 2.
Na bu meeting ni ko so. Na Ali Tiat for the person mo ball mo game no mo ne Al Hilal be boy wi. Na game na anko yie. Omo lusu game ni by 4-3. Omo Mitrovic do be obedi wo game ni mi o wankasa mo ball no boy na they need an improvement. Omo decided san come nko animu bi. They wanted to respect Liverpool at all cost and stay back. Said about they will have the chance to sign him next summer. But after that game no almost no they have to push one last time. It will omagada a bid of 215 million pounds. 170 million pounds near upfront. Na add-ons no, I de aka no. Omo de call Liverpool for say Liverpool for any scam. Na omo fa Mohamed Salah fa. Omo ko na anye ya. Omo ni Liverpool bet na se. Na omo pa omo cho se bi omo destabilize omo na so ma bibi omo fa nche omo. Next summer. Omo pese Al Hilal ana say any other PIF clubs no ebetima form achi aba be sign Mo Salah.
Wow.
Iti omu lay grounds ni nyina time we na say next summer iti abu enne enkosi no na entourage no mu fi reality ad na me say this money kire Saudi Arabia straight ko Liverpool ma wa ya aware six kan no mo de buy ni de emu odu omo respect bo mo nye omo nko na ne sam omo nye dai omo mra Mo Salah na emu de M6 kan hu na ne kakra na busu afọ de board chi say chairman kaska we de ka so ma ba Mo Salah respected Liverpool so much to a certain extent. He told them, say, until Liverpool agrees, he's not ready to move. Ka Liverpool G2 more, ka Mo Salah ebe join you more. Now Abu Dhabi, Mason Greenwood. Now, and when we are na etefi for the official picture of Mason Greenwood, that we try to sign the more na babontin. Now, the TNA they can explain it. They see in Manchester United jana man koi. But how this deal came about? And a young man for nya kakra. Who said this deal na nkasa no? Ska mo di betwa Mason Greenwood as ne salary throughout the loan period no. Endru £1 million.
Endru.
Debi.
Arenchemu.
858,000 pounds, which is approximately in and around €1 million.
Oh, okay.
Now the TNA, Manchester United were looking for a club for Mason Greenwood. Now, omo course how the phone one na Michael Milano mo tena se no mo se debi. On person mo hosting Women's Asian Cup.
Sompa.
Omo pe issue bia say omo be forward waba. Na ntoko bi omo ku free tete. So omo de omo pe ma se omo tena manager so. Omo ne ma wo problems no. Ansa nkofa bibia fa be say project omo ye dey. Omo ye. It Greenwood intena ne ba bi no nwe no ho. Na omo so Saudi Arabia for intena ba bi nwe omo. And there were more than 20 agents and more approaching clubs. Say you perceive the Mason Greenwood more. So pe do bia ya you betimi the Mason Greenwood aye dey. Abrew. Omo call Dortmund bottle train. Omo call Brentford bottle train. Na Italy for no kwa AS Roma mo de ne pepe ba ni nyina kwa do mo tena so. And one say Italy ni Spain for no, any France for no, one for non EU. Now what you to me say England for no EU, mo na Britain for no, mo ma so be you mo free European Union mo no mo for mo kan no mo players ba. Ye classify mo say omo ye non EU a players omo ba. Na in France, say they na Laurent for any other clubs no mo fi so meet makakọ ho no. Utimi register non EU players mako and 9. Then in Spain so ye mako enum me ensa pe na betimi how match day squad mu. Na no mo head clubs na hold on approach mo fi na no. Na wo so mo to madwum. No mo analyze you bem. Analyze you say there be. Omani break omo hia player amana ba be dey. Amana ba be shimo money mo ho they lack players. Na Lazio ni Manchester United exchange legal document. Omo di nkomo ni wie kra manka just payment terms ni bibia si ya. Ezanka bibia Manchester United awie omo ni Lazio na kokwa ko si aka dem so Champions League no ke likely say ke be hu Mason Greenwood wom. by time and favor and I do ni breaky. A breaky na that moment there's a certain Turkish player or bobo de ma hate fefene NS. Na no more Tony na ma Benfica na komonyeska no mo de akosane a lot of players. And some of beton na brand ni konya ACL. That means omo ye handicapped in terms of some menyeska de akwakoye dey akosane players. So they decided say what's some compare Diego Rodriguez muni Oscar mo de omo ba be she because mo no price the for. Nobody Mason Greenwood ahead dey account and omo pushing Manchester United and they got the deal over the line. Mason Greenwood's salary or do Manchester United is £75,000 a week. Now omo no Man United ebetria almost £50,000 of Mason Greenwood's salary no because I can't 2 years with Manchester United. Now afi Manchester United they are so man akopɛ diama no akopɛ psychologist na ka ho say onwo hatefi ho na omo na nyoma nkoyi emfama no. So that is how Mason Greenwood moved to Atefe, but there's a certain clause in the contract in terms of January break clause.
Okay.
Which means he said when developing as to how Atefe Nima United in Apomutimi breaki the contract and if you want to back to Manchester United in January. And I'm for you who say I'll best about Manchester Manchester see should be a beam. Say Mason Greenwood or would you to me say on my club ni beam. But it depends if Mason Greenwood should come back again and it's the Glazers who are still the owners who determine. If there are new owners within the club, it also shows Mason Greenwood, Ebeka and Ase Onka in this particular club. And he's so much happy and when the facial expression and it was it didn't come on Mason Greenwood who is so alande. And they or was started training Crampo for a Hatefi. Now, and only that's sorry, another issue, but I done another so ba. Now, Abu Dhabi, we had the issue of Anthony. And then the S girl now, ultimate situation, no, and said that Enkoye and Famaye Anthony Quarantine and Yabre, say Obepe Bibi, na Odesia no quine. Na Anthony S girl, yo, de in Samoto Tunisu, and I say, and Fanny say, oh, alleged, say Anthony Aini Bibi near Feno, Gabriela Cavalin. Na Ababa wana muni. Na Ababa wana muni.
There's Anthony Abono.
Aye.
There's was a boy see among baby girls and share Bapa.
Na we and experts on the Jai, only the Jai across over Manchester United. Na lady no I reveal videos, audios, pictures for the Brazilian authorities, which said the Padodona and a preview of what is in the video and what is in the audio. But for pictures, a bia baba bontia girl and Casamoja Kakao the chin and said to Chakra. I will say Anthony the glass. Now Anthony will no problem. Now the man seven cry years or if Anthony who message bia. Nema dos Santos they sending 4 years ago. A high ne hello keke ba Anthony who in the cocoa pija say who. A then a name a textile. And then a name a say it only say Anthony Coco. Anthony is actually jealous. And a man acting in such a manner. Now 50 wabano. Now Abu Dhabi this issue na Kasano and yan and buy most of the class who were interested in signing Anthony no. Don't now pull it out of the do not to say Anthony no money about the case. Yes. No money about the case. They did not want to take the risk. But Manchester United took the risk. Say he's not proven guilty. And the lady is making allegations. So step back and let's see how the situation what evolves. And then the Abu Baba must say Manchester police didn't want him from Brazil. No say Anthony see a can hear with England. And no see a kind Manchester United. So the country in which no see a kind would need to take due diligence and make sure say allegations na lady ne no and no cray and say no cray. So I'm collaborating with Manchester United, Anthony, and then the Brazilian police for no.
So the bell and no na more dropping.
And then I'm more dropping from na any situation behind and around the national team. I'm on park as a casa bebre. And I'm for the one pushing Manchester United said there be said the moye Mason Greenwood no. Mon drop your branch with soon count. Manchester United so maybe Omugina Sunny yes and there be Greenwood did any different. Greenwood they no using your Greenwood cry their cochino. Greenwood their cochini say. But this is investigations that are going on the Manchester police in channel. Obian channel for no to prison. Unless investigation in due stage maybe to also say a charge no, then they will charge him, they will bring him in normal arrest.
About there some to so that.
Abu. So okay 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks and 1 week ago.
Okay, ninja oko ninja mo.
So we be anam ne nam.
Yeah. But I no cray o there.
Baby da.
Oh, okay.
And I did massive.
I don't know what them na kazanet is.
Oh. Abu. I say we dey waiting. Now, you look at these particular kind of issues and where these boys come from. Any broma bre. My Anthony story will happen.
Yes.
I was so no their dead bodies so. No, they are gonna training there. Who's a range of a trim crown or catch my missing me to be amount. These players fight so hard through the favelas. They do this particular stage, then they lose their mind at some point in time.
Baby girls and
commit mistakes. Then this is where you end up.
I mean, I'm Baba transfer. But Fiana, you're a fisherman, Bishop and Bramukaka. And also for us,
aye.
Mate. Bishop, they be able to call there. Me bana yatwaso. Why? Now, Lucas Travel Consult Semenka. Airfactors open baby say Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands, and Australia is simple cry. Zonko tran okwaku suya de wa bomodi akwaku ejuma ajiska no. Ne yina rene de wako. Na omo de no de man common ye den say. Yesu niska crowd de ndwen ho. Frenani omo nkaso omo hu hwehwe omo gi visa ne ma uwia. Na jeze wo hu so visa na ba no na wa ba no wa ba betwe omoka izanzo ma hu ze nenu nso eto na nso fomo edimpa no ye hihia Lucas Travel Consult for abomode etimiera ba omo say birth certificate, passport, bank statement apa eni omo ni nkoma bere na ya boa na no so no nsa ka bi omo number no 0534 543 210 0534 543 Poma Tema Goal City Obenyo Monomazo wa wonim de ewo dwuma de a meba be obosu no bra na Ghana omo penkofo a omo ne ombe dwuma marketing manager, sales personnel, na free no receptionist, administrators, shop attendant and afi house help ne accountant no ye pesa nkofo ni na ye ne omo abo dwuma na aboa na ne ma de ye kama pan so no etimi edi amana makase mattress ba ko ada so aso de emu edin pa mechi ye me ya me kon ye me ha ye misi nu nya bi na yusu eto atwa no eye Royal Foam Ghana omo mattress omo de aba ye friend Royal Foam mattress na eye too much ni na nze emu edin na afezo to a eche ye papa wato no yase amansunye pa ye de chewo na wakwa koda so afa adwempa aboa amo ababrabo pa mantoto na da ye pa etimi edi amount me pa cho mattress ne no a ne Royal Foam mattress no so kojo mujuma panti ye bo modi am ne 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award the 20th anniversary of Otum Force 82 ye bo modi ye no na jeze ye bo modi etimi am gold award eno echi no 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no yes am award na no ma bo modi ultra modern showroom kese pa ye abo mo product no kwa ye dodo na baza kunya na apɛ matre na apɛ dodo na aboa manema kuye da man tu hia bia form number na efo 0202 271000 0202 271000 Royal Foam rest assured nembo na nema da di fama Bishop yanko BBS yana
ayin
then aba
first casualty awa nti member say sia BB
first casualty
beba
I know ye den
obi ahwere na dwuma ntino Rebecca, Kike Setien, you need to be real.
Oh,
after 4 matches.
And 10 power.
Miguel and held tenor. Omuku sporting director no. On the Babetna bench for the time being. Yeah, must a minute you. What you say? 4 matches. First international break na no.
Wajene di ashe no.
Lutune Jumamira. I didn't hear sanity. Oku. An opponent coming for baby for no akwa fa be die. Mohamed Salah obe free Liverpool. And they also the short team. I'll chat for Nihiano for 2 reasons. Club World Cup no mu Bobby. And they want 2. Obieti omona so said 2 teams. Ye be more musikabi. Ye the more and one no more. Ality had no one no. Nuno Espirito Santo.
Yes.
Meboa. Yeah. Oni Emenalo. And yes, Name Ahilal no. And I just signed from Ahilal. Someone had the best club.
Yeah, Omona.
Ali, baby, na
say Hilal on a name and Mark Momona best team or no. And they walk Ali so.
Ahilal for the more problems.
On me home pa.
Yeah, on him say Anas the man in Ronaldo Moho. Ntionko. Na sa baby the best team no. Ahilal. They are paying a very good money for him. Until they don't want to say man who identity see now we are allowed if you are remember the church and say start to now Steven Gerrard room
85 for no
aban no afachiri a change your ownership.
Oh, okay.
Rabe chiri msisi ya Sabik. Alitifak no kwade. Unsa asha no muniska.
Yes.
Alitifak nipa no ye CEO no a Liverpool supporter no wo access to players no. Nti no ba behwe ball ni bi e wo Liverpool ho no we wurem no no di nkomo. Nti Jordan Henderson ni deal say the guy flew to Germany be na Liverpool year training camp no. E ko di nkomo kakra. E ye dey no sa ba London. So Liverpool London office no here player. Ene ni esi ni say Adam baby I will be aso na bo aso na tie bi. Na hu senior de broni fe ne say paradigm shift. Ensesan aba no kwan ya afa so asie. Eye bibi. Enka ye bo transfer window ni we say ni etumu a. Ye pe top spenders a. Na nka ye PSG, English Premier League, Italian Serie A, Spanish La Liga, leagues and clubs are most spending kese na. No. Mira. Area si nyina sa summer window ya o dia close. Omo dia close ye no. Over top 10 clubs are almost spending kese pa. 3 if we Saudi Arabia. Al Nasser, Al Hilal, Al Ali.
Sompa Sports.
Top 3 spenders, top 10 in the world. 3 if we Saudi Arabia.
Sikaba.
Uko league sir. League almost spending kese pa this transfer window no. Na Premier League ni na edikan. We Premier League ni free wa. Next Air League 1. Of course PSG spent a lot of money in the transfer window. Kolomwani, Gonzalo Ramos, Kwakubodin, Manuel Ugarte. Third on the list for spending most, Kwakwe Saudi Pro League. No? They have top 3 clubs in the world, top 10. And top 3 league spenders, no? Omumbi. And Sesai. Sabek here, dear. Alitifak, no? Omaji de free sa boy in some said, Nimfintimi. The Omodia many. Saudi Arabia's petrochemical industrial giant. Sabek. Omunya revenues of 53 billion. So in fact, omunya motoy and sika omunya $53 billion no. Omumum and the mama Alitifak. Ntu Alitifak na Sabek egwase.
$53 billion
revenue. Omunya
billion.
Na Sabek na why dia owned by Aramco. The Arab American Company Limited. I become once more. Who owns Aramco? Aramco board chairman and Newcastle papa or board chairman. Aramoyan. It's a public investment fund and now fetchery Edisicama Steven Gerrard. So this is what they will do. Okay? They will target the top 4 clubs. Ombeji Newcastle players are omoya surplus no. Then they will try to weaken the top 4 clubs. So they Newcastle will rise. We am patcho dem making what a plan. Aramco nini. Intino. Ye bi so say da be na radio etifak no. International wing no. Ye bi because da ma mo dey me wodan
odu order
da. Oku se na wadwen you said the oman na this transfer window no. Next year best san. So sawadwen. And I'm more plan on the discount. Dazn, DAZN.
Yes.
Omakoto am right ni bi.
Yeah.
Star Times or here also. Sky akoto. And yet none on beti omuka o. But as they reach the global audience, they will sell. PSG and the Qatar National Bank, Neymar Qatar National Bank, Oma Moa. But the Omo catcher salam. Yeah, ambassador for we. He is the biggest sportsman from the MENA region. Now, I'm here about Trika, no Chichim. Choir, a day, Salah would come there. It's almost old school Friday now. Yabekacham was a more mosque now. Salah in Cremofon and the Moko. No, they see things differently, Mira. Liverpool fans, no. Benjamin Shesko, left and not right.
Benjamin Shesko.
Or left footed, me.
Shesko.
Monja Mami.
Benjamin Shesko.
Yeah, Shesko. check
it. Right.
Okay, the mube biano eventually either say Liverpool be and navigate at the NB. They will pay the money and then he would stay.
I don't know about share.
They will spend the money. Kweku. Ombeji's car, they will be at least $250 million richer. Next year, Ombeji's scam, Salah will go. You're
right.
Oh, you're right.
You're right.
On the Beba Central. Because Darwin Nunes Diaz would be on the left. Jota would be in the middle.
That's how we cry match. That would team the Salah qua. Do options here.
Team spend this kind of send your mope. This kind of them any players akasa. And Sakra no Mansa can he is gone. He's gone. Just or when a final lap of honor. On person of my team ni buofu. Na me agent. Na me broker deal with Amasala. Me can't say young contem. What? Me na me Salah agent na. Na come here damam ready for naba. But I feel no conference cinema. Damam.
Skazi tam.
Ha nana. Can you better talk about Kwaka about them?
As some way, baby, I bet Daniel there. Or the ever say, your baby say, Hono, at the back open a year for this normal life.
Almost a bird in the plan of Brabon in them. Wow, would they be just cannon of airplane conference? I was who's on go for you.
You know, Canijano here, boys, you know, now that Canijano to be rejected more. And I'm Mr. Mekacho say, oh, the over Giscana. Now they are
now Mama Ebon some Jimo. Look, the project has been well written. A plan. No, Mujidi say in the next 10 years, among crown be pebble. And again, Asia no bit for Japan, maybe. But the amount we different from China and say, Omo dear no mira. Omo plan down no more population need per football.
Yes.
Omo per football. Omo per football too much. Too much. The ABC anon. ABC ombe fanako. Me ana me hwe say Maghrebian world no why biem ene be fefe. Ofefe ya ombe fa no the Salah baby or Liverpool. Salah is better than my dear Michael Owen be no.
O then there
Masa ombe fa no. Ombe fa no. Se Paul Pogba nye prepra na time no Manchester United na no media hype no. Why kremo? Ombe time na go
fa no.
Nti no munya botre. Eti Jordan Henderson interview ni bi. Na ye twen da sa anyo mani nyina be ba bonten. Na nyamia ya adom amana ba bonten.
Yeah, o player ben na wa side for me.
Obi amumpo.
Ayi wa gwale ato.
Amumpo. Me say Jordan Henderson sem na okay kan yen. Ye nka wa hada dan say
do akare da.
Nko ogu team no.
Go ogu team.
Look. Coach ni beto. 12 years. He had built a dynasty. O Kasabia na England. Nti also sacrifice players and the man you be a loyalty man. This one's about bunting, but them some name details. No. Jordan Henderson.
Sompa Sports.
We are original way. Or catch a Jurgen Klopp say PSG pen into your call. And a Liverpool sporting director then Michael Edwards catch and said Jan man uncle. He is in decline. His body is in decline. Contract up and and farmer uncle. Jurgen Klopp muni yo jukum. Said the Michael Edwards and so I am Jordan Henderson qua. The ABCB and also renew the contractor. So Jordan Henderson, it took Klopp intervention. And a man 4-year contract, a brand already 31 years. Obie who you say 4-year contract, ne man this salary a man no. I don't know Michael Edwards judge one. Of course, he can't be overruled when he is taking footballing decisions based on data.
Now, coach at TSC
now Liverpool head of analyst and Driscoll or PhD in physics and then science. Honestly, judge man. Say look, their coach near so more can I say the data balance of the emotions are. After 2 years, Obie who said Jordan 1 year crowd when Obie who said they now more can. They were right. 2 years into a 4-year contract, you're torn. Sir, or koye pre-season training gym. About in the body better almost say why ready so one. And now I'm catching Jurgen Klopp say on Kanchen say he would not be allowed to play the minutes he want. Or not to say Heroes Airbus or also Nyabibo. But they sacked him. Sir, 2021 summer, Liverpool had agreed a deal in principle with Bruno Guimaraes. Jurgen Klopp catch almost on pay Bruno Guimaraes on Man in Kobebeko. In January, you know they call Newcastle.
Wow.
That was 2021 summer. Last summer, yeah, 2021 summer. Nka Trameni here for Chelsea. Then Liverpool hijacked that deal. To Trameni, no himself call Liverpool. One call. Because Liverpool didn't firm up to Monaco, even though no money in the camp didn't come. And also was Klopp. Sabreno, no more senka. Boy named number 8. No understudy Fabinho for 2 years as number 6. No kwa. And the following summer Mukoya. Munu yo musikum the BCBNC. They didn't agree. 2022, yay. Just last summer na Liverpool Champions League and on Champions League final.
The Madrid show.
Trameni eka say on. Then Julian Ward now a best sporting director. Abraham Michael Edwards or no any deputy. Eka chen say look. For any firm. Yeah, bibi. Enzo Fernandez is available. The data now you want it's okay. For 15 million, Benfica are willing to sell. Sompa you're not ready to have a player direct from South America, somewhere boy England. Henderson, he was protecting him. Wow. And then Jordan Henderson say he did not get guarantees enough from Jurgen Klopp. He felt that the club didn't want him. Boss, now I'm Brasson. They were over pampering you. Come say Simone Inzaghi has signed a new contract. I'm happy with that for you. He's a good guy.
Simone Inzaghi.
He's a very good guy. Echina, me Dutch version of Van Gaal in interview. And now the man 1 minute, Jeff.
Ochina
me ba. Let's listen to him first.
Yeah.
Van Dijk so because players in Tanechi. You would see that.
Ochina ba na be no about be sure. About the go.
Yeah.
Now na o kan jealousy as long as o siri. Oba e why jealous da?
Dabi.
Onye jealous da? Dabi. Me ba wo ne ma be real face of him. Yeah, because so when you're jealous, that human, it's dangerous for you because a basa dachi, oh worry now girlfriend, me na, ebi another for bear in the day grow cry, can't be so when ninja, but when him say na down for and then be the relation. My name is Gino sister Phyllis Enam. They were also so me who you be a who you banner on him waka say baby, and yes I was so she. I saw how to be jealous. Now managing it, my jealousy is a tool and a sick guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dangerous. I'm going to say, Usunia jealous that.
David.
Now, guess what the two so being in them there.
Now, I'm crying. Mimi, so let me see him in Yamano. Who's a Yana Missiana Kakra Bibi? Me no ya.
We are smooth operator.
No, command Casa. Who's a Mimi Kobibia? Et me. And I'm so come be free as or come be one seven. Yeah, I'm interested in this argument.
Oh, yeah, smooth operator. On the oncophobia. My counsel go be Omunko baby, but or no much shed about a mutapinema.
Oh, and dear.
Omo a dangerous Omunko baby.
So, hello, Crende, and you're a bimu hooper.
Okay. Would you ever come up? I'm coming here. Why jealous that? Why jealous that? I didn't actually.
You see, jealousy training your mommy, one. Either how to control your temperament.
Good.
And I say second, you'll be utilizing in a positive manner.
Fantastic.
It's jealousy there. And a normal life, definitely, if you have someone you've been with there, you'll be jealous at some point in time.
Fantastic. Experience when I'm he has a very good experience. Zenkinen. Let's start with tennis. Zenkinen, a Chinese 20-year-old Ababoya. First of all, why the first Chinese young girl I would do quarterfinals of a Grand Slam. That's historic. China, Akasa, they've had great players, female players. Lina, winning 2014 Australian Open against Sibokova, Dominika Sibokova, and then 2011 French Open against Francesca Schiavone. So, Omankasa, you talk about Peng Shuai, unfortunately, Niseme Ekoswinti Ama one shedder and caught in terms of tennis. Very good double player. And then one can. Now she's 20 about any number 1 seed for the Chinese tennis on number 1 seed. Now on Jabe or then Okoshia Obeka said on Jabe last year US Open or finals or lose to Iga Swiatek. And there's a quarter on him, but this girl came with fantastic flash serve. And then also the movement on court was brilliant. The first serve solid. And now Osao good footwork. And then the most important thing, the fact that she serves from the baseline. And the ground strokes. Emma, Ababa, you are on Jabe. One, she was flat. The serving Koyi or no, one of the most difficult shots I on Jabe. Poor the return of serve or return girl no serve no return Koyi. And Akoya said and na sa near din bi a ye hu on Jabe mo quarter and near din bi ni nyina yira. And she beat her this season ankasa Osha. Now this competition Osha wasan losing energy. Mema no oko 5 set be 2 a o third game ya onye top player pa obe lose because a stretch 2 hours. Now share on Linda Noskova game oko 3 set. She was stretched over almost 2 hours. Yeah. Then Osha on Mary Boskova. These are all Czech players. Czech players, some are tough, difficult to break down. And also, almost didn't call 3 sets. So coming to this game, why fatigue that because she's overstretched. And a wonderful young lady helped me winning by 2 sets, 6-2, 6-4. Now, clearly, on Jabe this season, Czech for no one big because Australian Open Marketa Vondrousova, Indiana was Marketa Vondrousova. Then Wimbledon Marketa Vondrousova, also a Czech, winning Wimbledon champion. Then, unfortunately, check for some obre Emma Chinese near Betrano. So I only check for this time and man when she missed check for difficult for. So it's sad that she's out of the this number 5 seed against number 23rd seed. West Perisel with experience, but it's one of those bad days. I mean, Iga Swiatek number 1 defending champion or out, Elena Rybakina or out. So the shock that is continuing. We are going to see a new Wimbledon champion. Be our new one. We need our Marfem. So that's interesting to see. Now, Madison Keys, this Jessica Pegula. Madison Keys, in fact, 2 US girls be in 2014, the junior championship. Madison Keys, Sloan Stevens. Now, so Madison Keys is a very talented, we are hard-hitting tennis players. We are hard-hitting power. Arina Zabalenka, Elena Rybakina, we are top hard hitters of the short. Especially on first serve. Now, she's one of those girls. Unfortunately, when you're consistent, 2017 after all call, the US Open finals, all this was Steven, I saw her confirm. Now, she's exhibited against Jessica Pegula. Now, Pegula this season has a fantastic performance from Montreal Masters against Karolina Muchova. And then, the Cincinnati Masters, even though Coco Gauff winning, she had a wonderful performance. So, coming to this game, or a more consistent in terms of performance than Madison Keys. But hey, Madison Keys broke her 6 times, 2 first set, 3rd one, 5th games, 4th one, 7th game, and at the end of the day, she was able to beat her. Carlos Alcaraz, the game going Matthew Amaldi, and yet an issue. 6-3, 6-3, 6-4, a normal routine for him. The intensity or probably or Betron into the footwork was superb in this game, and the movement was excellent, electrifying. Intensity and the boy, his return on serve was superb. Or applied wonderful drop shots in this particular game. The reason why I said Opera in the previous game. I said one you can the left leg no na benkum na nyanju kakra ena obano omo or the cover kakra or the bibi kata ho protective cover and third one we here for this game now is to make sure say Djokovic be who say we all nyina the finals of twice the final is likely to be between Novak Djokovic is to prove say me prior pa maza me who dey many a day because psychologically Djokovic will be happy say when you're fully fit ahead of their game, ahead of some who come in some share final. So, fortunately, he just exhibited excellent and superb performance. When you call him to the quarterfinal. Now, Coach Bertrand Traoré, Mechand Traoré, the Spider-Man. Oh yeah, this week because Coach that's him. When am I did Drogba?
Oh no, never Drogba. Drogba.
Only did Drogba call Gigam first.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and to Gigam, that's him. on Drogba. Gigam, the revolution of Didier Drogba.
Gigam. Coach winner than a call.
Yes. He really molded him. Now, after that, coach decided to take a risk about African continent. No African continent, no. Obefa, Etoile Sportif du Sahel. Now, time Obefa Etoile du Sahel, me one can be a bed DMFA. Now, he came to Etoile du Sahel at the time when Ali were reigning. Dominant Ali, 205. Ali share Etoile du Sportif Sahel 3-0 in the CAF Champions League final. 206. Ali share CS Fasien 2-1. 207. Papa we STP Ali. I mean something you can't even think of it. Because the dominant net is so much. Now we are finals of the CAF Champions 2007, second leg. First leg a draw. Papa we nyakukudroni Etoile Sportif team no. Eko Cairo International Stadium. Eko share 3-1. There is not something you see and see Ali, dominant team no. Now Islam Slater, Eman Nehas, Waya Goma, Shady Mohammed, that the back four, Esam Hedari imposed. Now this was the team that will be dominating. And Omukofa, Flavio Armando, and Gilberto Fangola Becao. Then you have the Bermuda Triangle, Abu Trika, Emad Motiep, and now Mohamed Barakat. Then you have Tunisian top midfielder, Anis Boujabani, when Mustafa El Samid. This was the squad, and Hosni Abu Rida. Now, he went there with mostly few quality average. Ayman Matuliti goalkeeper Okay 2012. Okay, only the day 2012 African Cup of Nations. Yes. Ayman Matuliti, top goalkeeper. Refen Redwani, Saif Al Ayman, Ismail Ghazali, Merit Ahmed Maida. In midfield, Musa Nari happened to be the one of the goal scorers. Musa Nari. Moses Na. Now you talk about Musa Nari, Garib Agreb Fuen, Amin Shelmiti, and Mutara Agumbili. Now this was where the coach made history in this by 3-1 and Oshomo. And since then, the only Champions League that was produced airway.
Fiokono.
The only Champions League cup that was produced airway.
Winner.
Until once I lose there, I'm going to share cotton spot. I'm going to share cotton spot 2-8.
Yes.
Until we share 205, 206, 207, 208 now. But for this coach and what Etoile has done, and Kali winning 4 CAF Champions League continuous.
Yeah.
So he was the only one who stopped it, and the only time Etoile Sportif winning CAF Champions was this. Unfortunately, he's gone. I mean, we are there. Bertrand Merchant is gone. That what he has achieved for Toa, no coach has ever done that. Now Salif Keita, also called the Black Panther.
Salif Keita.
Who can striker? Most striker. Masa, don't go there. Don't go there. And there's a strikers in here. Top class. That's him. The Black Panther. Top class. And for a player like him, won the first African best player on the G first. So Nipeji second.
Second there,
T. Second, Ibrahim Sandy. Listen. Ibrahim Sandy G second. He was the first. Now Ibrahim Sandy G second. One is number 2, Robert Mensah. And don't forget, I even hit a 3 when Mahmoud Al Khatib G, African best player, no, 1 second, Opugunti.
Yes.
Hazo Fama became second to Thomas Nkono, 79. Now, Salif Keita, this man, top class Malian. Mali, they will never produce a player like this before. We now call French League Revolutionary with Saint Etienne, dominated in 67. That's when he was there as a top player.
Wow.
Yes. On start Mali, on 1965. Orange Douala, the first ever CAF Champions Club competition.
Yes.
So they are against Real Bamako. He was there in the final, scored 3 goals. Then he moved the next season to Stade Mali and also 14 goals.
Wow.
He's going to final African Cup of Nations. Unfortunately, only Fantamadi Keita. Unfortunately, one team when they lost to top class Paul Mokita and Francois Mpele, Congo, 1972. Cameroon host here. The best he has done for the team as a player was phenomenal. As a national team player, a club player. Then, Obe for me academy, time in Tia Okadisho Academy, Salif Keita, the first ever El Mali. Ni product, ni nephew. 1. Mamadou Diarra. Mamadou Diarra came from the Salif Keita Academy.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Seydou Keita and any nephew, no. Barcelona. And I Sheikh Diabate.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the achievement. Great Salif Keita, but this week, sorry, I mean, he's gone. But such legends, you never have them. No. He was a top player. And Una, we did you. Mali
for ni did you.
Yeah.
No one on
You see the impact of one person. Yeah.
We did you one there. I was the Mati Besha. Why? Salif Keita. I will call Roxy as well, Brazil. Do. Oh, I come there, Copa. Then, no, chef football, no, he be man, one was at the night. Yeah. Hey, Salif Keita. I guess the Aquaba.
Yeah.
Now, be the Abocodi.
I know. Mr. Kumanare, why you didn't son? Oh, now small is on him, Mokumiana.
BBC Siana.
Yeah, was that a Trambambo Yakumia?
Hey, Obia Bowser.
Pepe, I don't want to have one.
I said, we are kind of unready.
Oh, and run on the panel. Obey enquiries was it. Oh, Budmapa, my shows. Obia, what Mamon can't come young. Ade. Signing in your neighbor.
Omapanesa come up.
Into gram more.
A very prophetic.
Almost in China.
A very prophetic. Prophetic.
Oh, Jimmy, pa, or send so Messaba. Shannon Hano.
A prophetic.
All over where all the Caroli crew was here.
Akumiani.
Oh, Chawai.
The potato is greedy.
Roxy, you're going to say, we are all Caroli Paravasa, so you're going to, and then Roxy drive there. I'm more than my name.
Mekoso. Now, so say, only jealous. Oh,
say,
won't take jealous.
Roxy, Ombrana, Echo.
Anyhow, we a pray boy.
Says, so when you're there,
when you're jealous, they are now a pray boy.
But you're back as a biacho. Meet my cousin biacho.
Untimeka, me time in a bedroom.
Okay, then Fakan was him. Okwala was my comedy. I was
yeah, Usho and also we are committed to be a who devote to emotion to the person.
Oh, okay.
Now you playboy there.
I found.
Saturday no about hit and run.
But who is there? You ask no. As that was in the prayer, the way be alone. Or you did.
Me time na wo fa no.
Tibi so ba ko fa ba.
Time me kasa. Me time so.
Okay. Okay. But as atiti akomane de ni bi.
E do you playboy? What you say?
Playboy.
E was ya for Roxy. E chiamu. Ya din chaga se for Roxy e mamu. Ya se e se utu kwan. Nti akwantu ho asem na wa fa pen no pipa na wa chro number no. Ye di ka ko enkran. Ene ne mpatem 0244 61 32 37. Yeah. Enkran no.
Enkran number
0244 61 32 37. Same time you grab one number no kra no amfra. Mankasa ofra ibi tru.
A simple cry.
Yo Kumasi so asafo VIP station no mo. 0557 60 73 75 0257 77 67 30 Ebuni. And I'm in the Romania. Aduma Tower and
Romania.
And American improvements.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for Romania. Construction workers, cleaners, Aduma streets in the PO, drivers. Shekura.
Aquacrame who say, or the Quamana Lava.
Yeah, Quaman on your book or your street. Now, Bematin TV now, or Gadi Acumia. Pair in your crowd. I just want to play that community in the corner. Now, or show and then I will lack of until I buy you. Someone come on, Mona meet him, Embrana, Bishop Ocasan. Acumia Bermozo, it was Acumia as well. I tell you, the Cacra, the North, or the also cry. Oh, says he. And a penny cannot clean up an inch of Papa, they'll come on in the you, Mate, yan to us way. Have a free Romania, Jumana, Yako Japan. Japan last week because I ain't chiato. Yen 20. Among for can say Japan. Oh, Pevisa Edney.
Yes.
anko a brabeju sika no ba sa bebo me fa yi ka ho bra komia simple Mason for factory workers warehouse obi wa no wontimi nya dwumaden no odi ho yes up teachers
okay
Japan teachers about teacher
allowed the Saudi hola
teacher
or the dama mona
beko eti anya ho adwuma ho bishop o pebe bia wontimi wo za kiskin nti wo de wo mpe ho mitie ni nyina wo go pesca kiskin ti wo so wo nko
me bobo do know how na meka me bobo
enti Japan teachers e wo ho factory workers any adwo bebre wo ho nti area na ba Dubai
okay
Uber drivers no ni taxi drivers no mo yenko gi sika ho said yes so England players no bia wasi me call Saudi no we taxi driver Ghana yenko Dubai
ko jiska
bebre badi asiye o car no se ye odia na onsimpi atombra na yenko na kotwi na obeto car kese and we 10 days Dubai dey no
okay
10 days driver ni wa boka no every Ghana kra no enu 30,000 Ghana cedis
Dubai dey no se bono wo fompa
wa boka kra na wo si Roxy assisi no enu 30,000
na dey atwa ye bibi
na dey atwa bi o conscious abe ma bibi atu botom
okay
and sana akachwa na ba akachwa no see 20,000 when you convert it
wow
a month
Sompa Sports
we do pa
me dey message anyway na ma
okay
and to be who convert abu say this
who dey month bia sika
me Canada obia because me nim penfo na asia it Dubai we a taxi driver we a factory worker we a cleaner we a construction worker now person go Dubai for new Roxy and crane and batem no betimi afre
0244
61 32 37 0244 61 32 37 and Kumasi Greater Kumasi
yes
0257 77 67 30 and I say 0557 60 37 75
na cry ye pemo ay funny be mo
and crying your Kaswa CP opposite Methodist Church
na Kumasi
and Kumasi nso your Asafu titi kane no new prime station na ene VIP station one Golden Home Touch Abronsan first floor mi bo number ni so bi 0557
60
73 75 Roxy it was a tukwan Romania yankora koye juma what you say factory work construction any nyoma Japan chiato teachers factory workers any obi biara nyenko Dubai taxi drivers no any adwuma bia o pese o Dubai bia bra na Kuwait currently in sika esopa no Kuwait sika
Kuwait dina
shopa unya ba kwa wanya 37 cities 14 pesos
yes
yanko Kuwait ni nko first camera fi
Sompa Sports
nti de tell no
mother ben merasi dia no ye Roxy travel so was ye nyina hwe na ye wramo na bone dane
sports no so era so wo so
sports no
footballers no opese o ko second division Dubai
oba mo betu sara mo na
ma pepe na trials no me sere muntie nie ma mo frɛ no Roxy ye nya coach ewa ha abu bebo 9 akumya bebo 6 na bishop abo 3
aban o me na so why
footballers no footballers no dey yesere ye nye justify no you see send a video of yourself how bobo nemfema academy no so won select wa na Roxy aye on people work no na papa be tu esika na maye na woko
tumo de enze mo gini video no
sa
na mo de ama academy for omo hwe no mani gin ho na mo ma ye ejuma no na ma no oko okay
it is all a footballer we dey quick was it 1 minute 15 seconds and Kumasi for 0557
0557
60 73 75 ebuso your time there meko
Mate, me no be sen hia. Why? Na aye ya. Na nero wa be keka de opedimi so mi nyawa. Ela, wela wa nye ya, mi nyawa. Do the me damo me ba pe. De ake bia. Beto aso amabo.
Wahwɛ sɛ wakɔ shop akɔdi dwa ahodoɔ basket ma emu provisions ɛne nneɛma ahodoɔ ehia wo paa wadi line mu saa eduru so na wokɔtua nso a yɛaka kyerɛ wo sɛ untimi nkyante yɛ mɛkyante number no so ɛyɛ kɛkɛ na mmom wode Vodafone cash deɛ a wonni haw koraa yɛka kɔ baabia sei deɛ wotumi de Vodafone cash etua mɛkyante bia ɔwɔ network bia so ɛyɛ straight ɛyɛ direct ɛyɛ sharp enti sɛ wotɔ provisions fuel nnuro nnuane mekyerɛ sɛ biribia wopɛ sɛ woyɛ bia no Vodafone cash ama na yɛ mmerɛmmerɛ ma wo yɛhia a wobɛyɛ ade sɛ wobɛdial *110# na tua ka kɔ mɛkyante bia hɔ ɛwɔ network bia so ɛneya
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landing of Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
So betu kwai akusua de ewa amanone enda from kra top tier amanaye fo achechefo aye de omoye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre ye betimi aboawo amwa degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate ewa US UK Australia any amama so bebre ye nchehwe ma won ma won beso won sure sat IELTS ena to fail so person wutu kwan akusua de ewa amanone dia empa top tier kumase ye wo amakom Bank of Africa and Chemuho. Fred 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagan Plaza Building, no, and a bond renimu. Medina Polyclinic, your number 020-3592-008. Takrade, yewo NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road no so, ye bang Fijai School Park. Your number 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Esikafo wo krom wo de yi anana se edidi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba besin in terms of fefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction en ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se me ka se wo ka champa tie company ni din en e frɛ no 52 estate construction oh I see waton sase en adan amanso ni ho en wo si adan so ton wo san manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwanya bi ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bra twam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design ni ofa bia mu a mo nyese bi mo buda no nyina guo ba se no besi aye dan no modern wan hwe wanka sa wo di wo fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Gimpa Achimota Road fra 0556 72 33 38 and the Kumasenso page 4 and 12 road over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyina so at 52 estates.
What dom? Ama afei na wo hwehwe do.
Oh, medofopa. Ntawantawa bi wo ne udofo ntemu ana.
Oh, odo somemo.
Odo somemo.
Oh, Jay.
Sonim se medofa.
Oh.
Jumedie iba wakwemu ya wada na jubia. Efri nundu dikosi dumienu. Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM.
Kaise eye odo somemo.
Make sure we talk to Charlie.
Ghana for Yareda Akradia for Fry, your friend of Big Four. Free game pack games, no Eddie. Where ya Akradia, net tuning it yet nyadin cry. The number Ahodwa and 930 kosi 9. Impressa de Biara, Nabeka yen kunum difuane. Go back to me at to Abelfon Kratwabia. www.gamepackgames.com. And I Ubebo star 946 hash. Our phone so now would ya man Akradia Ajumeko NL. Apene game pack games Akradia is. Wouldn't fear do what ya. Won't to Akradia. Fanyansa to Akradia. Big Four from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Alright, yamma dena yetimi to na juma di enram kama parentimi emfama na nema enda da din pa entimi emfama na ne American etimi edi a chose nema deda dana kwama so pa akokɔ nam no pa na wabomoden etimi are na weni adwon ye papa boys b ena was ne uram ne eboa na onso no onsa etimi ekebi ne juma pa omo airborne tutuye na omo ewram no na jeso uzampa bibibia dana kwam so no etimi edi emomo a ne na eboa ma ne ma da Boys B chicken semenka entimi emfa encho se oba baby rama munjuma paniti no ya bo mudin no aye ni BBC na se nete yeze ne broya na pa na layers na ye bebo na ne ma deda din so etimi era ma no omo de no hote omo ye ho adwuma no ya de omo ye nkofo a omo nim se da ma mresiti enti enuanom kramofo no e wa akonya so mbekọ etimi akwa jibi na aboa ma ne ma dadi so no etimi edi amamo na afọ omo de no ye mfa nondo ne ne ma bi amfra so okọ okokoto a na wadi awie na baba benyen susan so bia edine opedi obo modern na wenya protein ahodo na na asabwa ama wo asiesi ni pedua na eye BBC Boys B no na so okọ na okọ jibi na ebo ama na makoye perama na eze akokọ no ne ho ne ma na bi etize ne no fu no na opese ne she na ape na basa 7 no enu bi na ope na afigiza na ape layers ahodo na kokọ na ma ye bo modern de man kraman no ne nyina on sabetimi aka bi ewo mo so no o maso ye no mo si fu no ze eye 1.6 1.4 1.3 1.2 kilogram na pa ni nyina na ye boana ne ma dadi pa etimi edi amom njuma pa mo bonti no for mo hotline no na BBC de eno ane se uram na yaboa na kokọ na papa amantoto na dadi pa etimi amanto online ni 0544 444 453 0544 444 453 o pebia omo abomode omo branches no na jeze kumase mpatamu ababi bebre ena abomode na so no wenye bi ato na oto akwakoto ana so rekwa yiduane no Bantama High Street OC Presby Church ubenya omo Aswanse Market ubenya omo Santasi Roundabout OC Unity Oyo nsa e common afipoku trading edum onso no betimi GBSG Mall Top High Tech ubenya bi ona Shell oro ani chemo Boadi Junction wa onso ye boana ne ma dadi pera ma BBC efi akokotiko na kokojibi na awia obonze wa ade ebo amane ma dadi so e ama National Communication Authorities yanka etimi enfrancho se no mo de tutu pa ba aba bazi ni na ze omo de digital audio broadcasting no aba be ramdi no bonitia e DAB na DAB no aba be ram Ghana omo guso atry no mo ye miami no omo ye no e Kumase ne nkran ti this time round no enkonko eze wo fi a afi na akwakotwipo ne tintintin na hyehyɛ na mu no aneze ugita radio na abo 93.1 a obozo abo modi nya Sompa won kran patama utie na emu da ho na aboa amane ma koyie pere aman komo no mu ede na de omodi aba no enhyehyɛ ne jeze ne radio keto abetimi ekitade akobibia yo de bebo kam ne o kese a obo modi na wetimi eyusu nti omayi 18 radio stations a yere omo ye try na Sompa yenso e kan binti yenka emfa chose enchekra obo nse ne de digital audio broadcasting no die bi no aba bazi also no sabe kan de na aboa amane ma dadi pere amantie no enhyehyɛ NCA for the aba bi 21st kan examenka emfa chose bia ba ko a ne okwa akwaje wa ya titu ye maame ne ye papa mo a mokodwom a mo transe che no ma transe ama mo to asinti no etwetwetwuma ramo mo search wo bebi ramo mo na chi wo bebi debi no 1-2 anamo a na jeze oba aba bebubu na ne brofo no ye friend sciatica e ma bi nyo to anamo ne hwe ne mboa na gyan na so na ne mande da dimpa etimi emfa ma bia ne ye ba kopɛ 21st clinic omo na bre ne aboa na we gyan na so ya hodo na filti so ba besiu na so no ye bre bɛn na yɛtumi aso ano no aboa ama nso no wogyina no aso ama ntotoɛ no akɔyɛ de ama sɛ ne stroke ne ha diabetes ana ayɛ bia no rɔmɔ maso ɔkɔ mo lab kɛse a yɛbɛdosodoso ama baabi a ayɛ ne hyɛ aso ano scan services no ɛyɛ adeɛ run Friday bi after work fa wɔn agye massage no yɛ massage no na machine treatment no ɛnso na mo dwuma pa ɔmo bonti more than 15 branches Ghana baabi a ɔmo bɔ edwuma Kumasi Ewia overseas junction ɔmo bɛ na for radio ɔboase council quarters no on sabe komo call junction Accra do market no unyo ɔmo na sunya ne nkranza ne techi ma onyina obenya ɔmo form na ma no komodi de bia ne ɔmo 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Niambwa na niama deda di imprenti fama Friday we Kings ano esia baba biramu etimi ediaman komono de MPR ma Sin Central Honorable Kennedy Japan zo pimpa na yodefo na adoye duo yebi we kodu mu apa wabo asesa nkofo bi brabrabo na obeze ye to abayi no na MPP amanyuko no oba be do ma no na debi no ye yi ni so no na emra be Ghana man panyu ze ni njuma po ye ene niama odro na awaye ni edi ni dance etime pacho fiere bia no 9 kokosi no nsia 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. no Ramuna abomodena Kings ano braba beti bi na resident community na me yekra edema ye mrante na beboa me abrabo na etime CPT live on Sompa TV and Sompa 93.1 Sompa FM Sunyane Sompa FM Nkranza na wati bi na aboa na hyehyɛ no so no adeda ye kama pa so etime ra ma Game Park Limited o ma bomoden edi akrade na baba babazi akrade ba ko a me si so emasika pa o ni die no airfo pa e Game Park game no dizene wafa phone na anansi pono no bobode etimi use tablet na computer meba babecho number ni 029 uhema predict say 9 ebebo ni eno ye lucky for e Fred mo a wenyi ska bebre utimi predict ze na ebebo straight ne ze wafa 1 2 3 4 na apia utimi kaze bia number 3 ebe apia miensa ni nyina also no e ya de wo so ye papa enti oko Play Store abetimi download Game Park games app no anansi pono no bobo no wakɔ site or www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com network bia use no order star 946 asha abonse ube ramo no abomode na se osi peno no wetimi aye na ubenya mula na jesu odi scan room also no wo so amobezo bia di bi ntino mbomode a draw no yetwi ne premiensa de bia no pa no 9 a.m. and after we 12 p.m. na nwume no 6 p.m. live on Adum TV ntu behwe na wo bomode na wo room na aboa na so no wenya skakesi ama hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi edi ama makase Vodafone Vozebra na ba beru ama so na Vodafone car special bundle no egusu ekoso 5 Ghana cedi ya ma 200 minutes 7 valid days no na jeze nyo bomoden etimi edi abo edwuma network no obetimi edi afre to the answer star 110 hash star 110 hash waramo wato credit no 5 cedi wa bomoden afolo na Vodafone car special bundle no wa bomoden edi aye edwuma na aboa na ne ma deda ye kama pa so etimi edi ama na hyehyɛ no so no etimi akoye na berto esemenka enfranto say the golden code promo no eno ana ne yedi eye adwuma na golden code golden booking code no obomode na wetimi edi aye adwuma simple uramo berto omo site obonze bibi atwa 100% back me patro click so onko code no ho hwe na yi code no mfa bi nka ho enyi bi mfim na utwa from 1 Ghana cedi ekokosi 50 Ghana yediwa ye bomode asika no yetimi return ye de ma top up no oko mobile money na vendor bia ona akọ na nenu ze omo stickers ni bibo a ye top up no ye boa na ya chewade na aboa ama hyehyɛ na koyera ama nti oma daroma ma minromu na minni nkomo akra ne ofie na ye resere niam na si etie na fie nkomo ni sere niam esi ekono the Black Stars of Ghana ire oma ba nya ba bedu a o resere hyehyɛ ni si tie ne sere niam esi ekọ mu guso eboabo mo sere be ya bibia ebe koye kama pa so no etimi ara ma ni eje na so etimi abo edwuma nti no a omo first training session no ekoso ewo Accra Sports Stadium omu trainee kakra ene ache anobeze dumienu ombe baba be romu Kumasi na 4 p.m. ro wani chemo Kumasi baba Sports Stadium omu akwa akoto aso etimi abojuma na all of the game no and ankomodidi awdo na enso ewrama na no edin ye papa na oresere nyema esietie ne de eboere ba na ko Chrisiltin era no ne mia minua achuta makrodidi nkomo na achubi zanze na Ghana vozo omonte asese de da yumbobo na wa friend so na meken squad no na wi ano sen enkomo no se no
growing conception doesn't it's not something that means too much to me, and there are players and Andre comes into a category. We know that he hasn't played as much. So we're knowledgeable about the amount of games that he's played. But I also know what he means to the squad. He's our captain. I know what he gives the squad as regards, and anybody in the squad. It's never just about their abilities. It's about what they bring to the squad, some experience, some know-how, how they can affect the other players. So for every player that's in the squad, there is a reason, and there will always be debate about any member of the squad, and I'm quite sure if I asked you, or if I asked the gentleman sitting over there or the gentleman sitting over there, their squads, I'm quite sure that there would be players in the squad that would be different, that are growing.
Elti no ye komo bo modere tu ya jezenye a player no de otimi ye ne ma bebre na ahwa de ne ba e baba be ram na mom no your player bi ono ba ya na motivation create my team no samba be ram eboa e da de shonku bi e de eboa ma na ma da di impere mana o santo azu bizarro ze no ba Ghana nkofo e ka se na nka odi oba ibo yi ke be fe pa na criticism ya Ghanaians de ma so ba yo bo no kra no o mo nheda hu ni ye na nso yi ano se.
One thing as head coach of this national team is I don't get involved in politics. My focus is on the team and the team doing well. I always know that there's politics involved because this is the nature of the game, and this is the enthusiasm and the passion that Ghanaians have for football. You know, one thing I can assure you is that within my remit, I have a lot of conversations with everybody. Right. With everybody. And I'm always confident and comfortable with the conversations that I have. For anything that goes outside of that, that is for other people to judge. You know, my focus has to be on the team. Yeah, and if I put my focus elsewhere on political matters or things that are being said, you can't do your job properly.
Elti no ye komo bo modere tu ya jezo ze na dwen eba team no so na dwen ye se fa bibia we dwuma no ntimi nye kra entimi enye ni ye ne no so echi no o Santos Bizanze na relationship with the Ghana Football Association no and also send it here anu ye se na so bo modere.
The association is from day one has been good. President, I've had very, very good conversations. I will fill him in on everything. The squad that I pick, the team that I pick, the team that I pick is the solely my responsibility, and this is the way that I've always worked. But it's normal, you know, when we do well, I'll have good conversations with the president. When we don't do so well, I'll have conversations with the president that are normal conversations, and go through the processes of why things didn't work well. So this is I think the only thing you can always ask for is good support from your bosses, and my bosses of course are the GFA and of course the president, and as I say, my experiences so far with him have been enlightening and very good.
Elti no ye command your bomb modere tu ja ni na bo ma ne ma da ye pere ma cheza mpa na relationship with efe no ya dia ye pa mo ntem no ya dia ho pa na IC ni legends no e bi be didi nko Mohamed Ahmed Polo Apollo to Polo na I'll pay para bomb modere didi nko ma akra ni nyina bo ma ne ma da ye pret mi ere na re komodidi no ene ne me roma wakasa etimi area fa ene Ghana yen gema eje pini ababe to Ghana ho na say no abomode akasa fa.
In the first place, they underrate Central Africa. It has to go first to the coach. Coach, and yes, friends, some sort of experiment. One fan, the first reliable 11, one fan started. Now, finishing. It's very, very important. Now, if you kill the game, in the first half, now what top up or second half is better than trying to experiment. And yes, at the end of the day, he has to make sure. Or you should be first 11 that would dismantle Central Africa in 10. Now, Obia won't turn in the first place.
Eltia no ye command your bomb there to Johnny in a boy man ya madida yepa etimi ede emaye na national under 20 before confirm is in the kusama board with you Desmond Ofe na Desmond Ofe na the yabomode etimi appointing is ombra ema major na the national under 20 no omebo ejuma said coach nice time coach senior Sali Fufatao ena ni Odati Lamti omona mpimfu ebeka no no omone no etimi abo ejuma na the Black Galaxies and also no Masudi Dramani and ebe head coach assistant coaches no ebe Baba Nuhu and afi Samuel Boadu omona ebeka no na omone na abo ejuma na abo na nema dadi pa etimi ede amomo and also Fiona ohwe sere neme si kwa 2023 African Power Games no eguso a ekoso na nra puti football no Ghana echi Uganda ebo mekano mako nson omo ntimi anshebi Egypt amrekro na ejo mana so etimi echi Angola abomo miensa emo mo timu baako na wheelchair basketball no eno Morocco ye Ghana ho adwuma pa omo bomode nya 12 ena Ghana yanso ye ball 3 ewo ho no ma nema and the affirmation ne wheelchair no basketball na besa to aso de 2 anope no South Africa ne Zambia na de bo ani 11:15 na jeze gusu ekoso eno ye mema na de Angola and Egypt ne be hia 1:30 Algeria ebebo Morocco ye ma ena fi 3:45 no Algeria ebebo dia Congo no so no mema na nema dadia na ntoto no so no ne koyia na jezebe se ohwesere nema isi etie padia na timi awrama be se na 6 o'clock obi no Ghana yemma no mo any Kenya na de bebo ani na afi nwumre Kenya so emmema no ne Senegal edi aboni ntie no yetutu ya awrama edi etudwan so ne timira makrat fokunra era mo bo mo de mo new players o ma form no coach sina aba no ye initiate o mo nzo o mo ba team ne wona mamre na o mo bodwa konten eze o mo mra ema media asante kofi agbese ma de na aba no ofi ope liviso sata beba na afi Kevin Osiasibi na main coach na kasa nso atiasim na zena net eno ye near record every coach was idea Isaac Kwabia minim no nyonto wo for pa ti coach no na oye ya ne adia no akrobia komasi asante koroko training no esan etwa so mienu bako anopa bako enwumre na eze no coach Dr. Prospernato Ogum ebo modia 2 hours na ne goal scorers no yo mo adwuma sa be all this season no was a goals ne ba na nra Michael Chejam na abo modia na first training no etimi ewra mu Justice Nkuku Blay yeso no de upon we painting no team no entimi antini na nra so na ado ni chimo Sunyan Coronation Park before akwata no ebo modi omo so omo first training after preseason no omo timi ye na emeze Sunyan pitch no hu sere ne City ani series kwa tum so omo ye hu adwuma pa obese this season omo joma na so bo adwuma na after no ena ko ifrempo man so preseason okoye no odi e fa mu kakra na say na coach bo modi din en komo ne che
so initially the Kanko where to Wasansa the Super Cup also but I think my opportunity was so many players both are the old and the new players so for me I think with the results in no shows it was very good at the pre-season.
Eltia no ye komo bo modere to jaje preseason result o munye NHS a very good edema team no mo kra babejina bo modere Super Cup no o mo egie na B-Boss Ghana Vodafone Ghana see en kan franchise ne o be smartphone e use Samsung DDB simple kra na hwehwe o mo de aba se obedi kan aba beto ase 353 Ghana cedis what deposit no na ya ma 4 month ni Samsung phone type bi apibia no wa bo modere etwa ne kakra kra de B-Boss Ghana na face no o ro ani ma Vodafone Ghana mo na abomo de sa antoto no etimi ewura ebo ama na ma da ye pa etimi ede ma na mun komo no eya ade ede papa ni nyina ebo ama hye da ye so no etimi ede ema de omo se ne obenso okọ ne sa betimi a visit edum swame Ken UST engineering department no Vodafone shop e Kumase and afi so no a Vodafone shop so woko for you the Accra na afi Takra de Accra no yes in Medina ANC Mall East Legon Accra Mall Junction Mall na afi Cantonment and osu ho yina akwa Vodafone offices no wo ha obetimi akona hye a B-boss for the aba and wetimi there run a B-boss from head office no e wa dental brikwan no so o Ghana ha na o peso yes an hye ni bia obetimi afom number no e wo headquarter so ne omodi nkoma na o sere ntoto no esi etie 0800 255 255 0800 255 255 na 0243 323 148 0243 0243 323 148 0243 323 148 enei omozo omo sales agent e wo Kumase Accra Takra de Kofoidia na omoni oma yejuma ntu betimi afre regional officer na B-boss mpimfo na omodi nkomo 0208 484 141 0208 484 141 B-boss connect get a smartphone pay small niambwa na niamande da yeso no ntimi emfama kama pa na hyehyɛ no so no enko yeso ntimi emfama na totoye no ende da ye emfama 52 construction limited zemenka emfancho se owa amano ne nko a na ne opeso sifio to asase wo Ghana ha ɛwɔ so mo na ne omo edi nkomo na yɛhwɛ ne so wase na ɔda so no ɛba mu kama pa etimi yɛde ma na de man nkomo no ɛyɛ de pa ne ze yɛze nei no odi aba no ɔmo nkofo ni bi ɔmo yɛ adwuma no etimi yɛde ma ɛna afo to asase no se full plot half plot ɔmo mo de ma 20 bags of cement or the boss asase so this time around so no mo de hyehyɛ aba so be 50% de aka no obetimi atwa ne kakra na aboa ma ne ma de de da ma 52 construction limited ɛna de san hyehyɛ pa na ba fidada no yɛhwɛ na yɛ renovate no kama pa etimi edi amount no obezo obo mo didi nkoma odo na 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 797 0531 525 797 anampo o Facebook TikTok Instagram o re come official page o 52st.com be hujuma di no mudi no se ho te ebo amane ma dadi nso era ma no ne nkomo simple ni na the Trinity of Arc Limited Company zene oye hair to work anko awa mono ne kono simple Canada UK yere okọ wakwa ko yejuma agisika bebre ere gubotom to your doctor midwife lab technician na oye hair to work ramu na yemfa anko yeso preso kosua de o Canada America no so no yere obekwa scholarship kra ene ade ne nso no etato footballers ne eboaji sports visa etimiere mama na won san juma zoye Tyler carpenter also no oye driver now ye mechanical o de any simple ene ili motor Romania na amame awodo na ba beto de amawa ye du rom Ghana setna fono ndu bezo ko be Canada US UK and Shingi state na fanamba 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 now 0205 572076 0205 572076 opo mu Kumase adwa to Masalachi omo eben Breport Junction Africa so New Market Road no Fidelity Bank abanso no first floor pepepo mu boedwuma no so no yebeboa na ne ma de ye kama pa etimi edi ama na tutu no so no akoyere ama bafo polo zemenka emfancho say African print no eno abomodin ne dia ye designs awodo na akono ye papa na yebere se 20 a uromo na so obeboa na so don saka biti African print polo shirt African print golf shirt African print round neck shirt African print v-neck shirt FPA na nize was a boutique for no eno na nkofo eton ne nti ozo tu anamo na akọ etimi ekoko gibi mode no your gold package ya 20 shirt or box mu silver package 15 shirt or box mu bronze package no so no 10 shirt a box mu gold no fair no aye deliver the amawa untwi ahwe na organizations awodo na Bize bankers no Friday way no schools awodo na teachers association so no mo fa hye bafonsa na obepam de ye gampa etimiere amamo mo ntema kra obe no design etimiere amama nkonam tese ye no so no yetimiere to nkra nationwide delivery obomode ye ne de mantifa na ma no na nkomo bi ani ndi 0249 600-789-0249, 600-789-0599, 899-919, 0599-899-919. Hinema kokome santasi obuaso kwano so no yeboa na onsa komona ne na da ye pa etimiera mana mameko na mene doctor frimpon ndi nkomo anida so ho herbal clinic na emezo mu dini omo honam no ese ni nyina ze ne wani da so na sakra kanka ni ho ya ye ne ade no adwuma omo bɔ nya ade ya de keto akra de enko na ni da so ho herbal clinic ni ndi nkomo dog na bibia bɔkɔ de
yankopɔn adaro mabu
na so ya san hyehyɛ bi
sanete
se fie so bɔkɔ de
fie bɔkɔ
dog yemra ma ni da so ho ne de mo de ma ye
eni da so e ho mo bia sani abafo polo etimi esina panie na esnani eda ho yi entino ansane wani beda ho no no e wono bebrebe wo so ye
no kre
enti bia na obi tie mi ana so obi hwe me na no pe na ono de nani yare no wadwene ho a wo se mani we die eno anam ne bekɔ wo enya de abetumi ewu because ni padua na nwu ya eni kwansa wo tena ho ema wani ewu ni padua no nso mu ye ni da so wo he back link ye ntena ho se wani no enwu agi se bia wa amma ya so ye yes oba ya so ye a areho ade bae no umfri ho na ade ani gie enenam ifese ebenya botre ne ya kyerɛkyerɛw yen ya so ye nkwa na etimi akyerɛw ade ekokofa wani yare ne bae anase nyoma etimi manipa anifra o de na ebia na ye moja abroso ebia na ye sikyire yare ebia na ye stroke ebia na ye ulcer ebia na ye infection sene wani yare ne etie no anase bia koku ene enso etimi de ba obi akoku aye no na say ne emana eye problem a untimi nkonkofa eni yare aduro se wonom ne sa
no crepa
also hwe the root cause broni be kan sa ana ade akokofa eni yare ne baaye wo tackle no a enipa no oye okay asiche yare ye ntu ase ye normalize ti se no na akokofa yare be friend diabetic retinopathy no aba ema wani no se unhunu ade ye na se kofa ha ode aba ehia se be ma wani aduro emo asiche yare no ene o se ba form na wani no so eda ho agise ebia na akoka bibi ama wani asakofa foforo bi akofa ha obi aba intini bi mu ansa enye sa ne da so he ba clinic ye ya ade ye de ye hwe ade akokofa wani yare en ebaaye nti wo a wutie mi a wani no eso ayekusu o se ensuo muna so de o se ebo asi anase bia ensuo muna bi o se wani so yotum obi on mo hwe ade o se mi hu ni ye gata keto bi da hokra na abo nse bie ni nam kakraka aden a amna ne so ana o se obi ba mi hu na nso nanim de mi hu no eye error wani na pruncio etwa ntini bebrebe o soro ya ekokoko man bi ba ya so ye o se ono no oni obi anka se na etewo nani so na nso ni nua bema eyere eni ni nua bema na enya kasakasa na o pata oba na oba nsa bo nani okọ hospital say ete ewo nani so enti no oba ya so ye na me confirm say ampa ete ewo wani so sa eye de nam so ete eya ade a ewo wani so bi wona na wa akire na wunhu ba bibi kwaka etini eda ne ho adi yenya abotre kyerɛkyerɛ mu ade ekokofa eniyare eba ansana yetu as enti sa wo ba ya so ye a ye wo bre edima ye wa daje ankasa edima nya so ba ye na ni apɛ edo yes dey bi ye nya ne sa ye hwɛ the root cause de ekokofa ba wakɔ esi glaucoma and o wani so ye say what eye pressure trachoma eye gonorrhea ana eye chlamydia ana cataract ana say be wonya strabismus ana say be myopia
no your eye gonorrhea now
me pa chwana
no de ne deba
me da asese obi sasa question we say ne a infection ya na de deba
infection emanunya sansu na so
mama twane titi
mama
say oba mfanse bia wakodompia me do be wakodompia
me kiski bi sa
na bia wakote ya rewi
okay
na onim so na wonso onim afi mo hia wie na ensuo no ebia wonim na odi afa wani
okay
so etimi ma very big problem wani
wow
wo hon masenia if eye wo bem obana sene the same thing e be wani to bon sene de e ben nsuo say ati from fancha hwe from fanchim wo hunu amama kan say if it is same pompo sa ene ya na eti nti ani na wo hono mo no e how bibribi ena e wo so ba na dodo na enim ena e ban so etimi bo nkaye ansa ebu onu ma e sha se wani no so e hyehyew e keka obi betimi aposa na ni na intini biate afei no obeba no okatena ni ba akuse ya osi we de mi hunu hwe ba we de mi di hunu ade eni ne tese straw se wa mbom finfini pa ya de be kan we obi on mo akọ hospital ami aka che ni say na eni no gisi e no operation ono so wostro se obeye se mpo wakwa ye kra no e na wo mfa hunu hwe kra na memo abamumbu bra eni da so wo he ba clinic aso oba ye benya abotre ni ahwe entini kro na aka no eni ama wodru ye mpiti preko peni enkonko fedro ma e ma wo nko ma mfansa me bu ntin ka se na chini amon so sa na motie obi ono ma obi ba so ye ma mi bi ofra bro che ne ba 190 hospitals ma ko 41 ye hon ka 42 wow na ni nko aon e na jiwegu ani so e na ye sei e na tafriwe oba ye nya aboche ni di nkomo chechen ye wo se wo ye nyina e na ma me ne ho atona wasa tumia akwa dru na brochi aya na me ba na ade we se ekram edoso eye reporter ibinu kwakwaje wo ayaresabia
oh okay
so obe course na ni me call ye say na doctor say me ne mfa hunu ade me ne de say sense ensem bebrebe doctor ne wo hunu de na waka nanso ye je radidi ene ye je nronsudi oba ye mo odro ye kwade ne otonchia wa wo se ete hawache wa wo se pressure o wani so na hawache say glaucoma ache ewo so a odi achina wunya ano ye di papa bia no bra eni da so he back na de oba ne ma metonchia eni nsuo tonso from ayedin die kura u bia na ye be hwew ye benya abotani ahwew ni ama ho odro amo akwa no fi ntimi ma say obeba ya so ye na ye charge na ube wi de odi di kura de anu maduro ne wunya na ne oba na say oba
ada mo dwen kofo
ye dwene wo ye die ye dwene wo ho ye pese wo ho tow na de dance ebe fi say kuma na obetua na ba baje wa yaresa eno no ho dance na abedie achira afoforo
no kre
so wo ba ya so ye na se ba baje de wo ho nyina na se wanya bia mfa ni dia ho na akodi dance achira no ye nye ne sa ye de esenka afi nkwa awiye na nka tiefo ne ahwefo ebetie ya na nka wo ni yare bia na nka ko ne mum sa ye condemn kwa dia ye ni ho bibia ye ntimi mama metumfutu ngu ne mama jusika sa senko ade a ye ni ho hweye na emum no se de machine hwe na ahoden 1% ekra wo mu a anidaso e wo ho edema wow me de numbers no e tudwa na de o hwe me foforo na se bia ne afi na waba tena fidie wo no enso atumi afre 0559 90 12 34 0559 90 12 34 and 0596 19 88 84 0596 19 88 your numbers in me dia chira kwan so e tudwa se wo free sunwane kwan so e na e ba ododu so fula ya si ne bisa obia se ope car e ko patase ope patase car e ho nyedin ye chira wa less than 5 minutes obedru wo de ka che mate ni se obesi e wo brother man ho no ubesi e wo brother man usi a free number na e dia tudwa so free enkran kwan so na e ba ubedru kageti ape wo de bisa se ope kwada so station e car kwada so station kan no de rewa be si arasa be nanim ho no pepepe ena se wo free oboase kwan so ena air ban so a usi wo santase ana santase runabout santase ana santase runabout wo se wo peka e ko so fly eno so no utine ma ka che mate ni se ubesi e wo brother man junction osi wa freyen akran so ye wo Tabora Alaji Walako junction Tabora Alaji Walako junction ena takrade so ye wo Fijai Road Kojo Chrome Porter Girls Senior High e hon so oba obehunu ye nti wa odi wani yare achinchina bre wo de wakọ doctors aka yare ni bebrebe se reported dem anim bebrebe ni fa ba ko for no
nipa ba ko na hon report
ba ko bebre enye ono nkwa ebia ne de we kwakwaje ne de wa ha na we akwaje ne de wa no aba oba o se me ko we ne de ama me ugidi se ebeyeye ni aka chom se je eradi di na ji yensu yedi yedi enidaso ho no no enye se yekofa na kwa yenim de etumi ye se woni na ye condemn dia ne no kwasem se yentumi nya ho hwe mnemum no se o wa ho de 1% ekra wo mkra na enidaso e ho ma ti se eye ete eye pressure eye glaucoma anaasɛ bia wode wontini no bi ɛna ate sɛ bia optic nerves ɛna abreki ɛna yare nso bi wɔ no ma na yɛ age related baa na dodoɔ no ɛnnim anaasɛ bia ɔmo nim ɔmo kɔ asɔɛ yaresabea hɔnom na yɛbɛfa so ne agye sika bebrebe hunu sɛ ɛnyini mu deɛ wonyini no ɛnti no mu ɛyɛ mmerɛ ɛnti nnura de bɛma obi a ne mfie no ɛwɔ fam ɛnyɛ no bi na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde ma saa nipa no so baa no yɛnti ɛnoma no ebi ase but anidasoɔ wɔ hɛ back no wo ba a yɛbɛnya abɔkyerɛ ne yɛde machines no ahwɛw yɛwɔ doctors animdifoɔ me amtoɔ meka ho bi wo ba a yɛbɛnya abɔkyerɛ adagyeɛ ne mmerɛ ne yɛde akyerɛkyerɛw ɛkwan a wobɛfa so abɛyɛ ebi ma na ɛnhia sɛ yɛma wɔ duro koraa sɛ yɛ kooko ne kɔkɔfa wɔ ne yare baeɛ a ɛnhia ani aduro waa kɔfie a bɛtumi ayɛ biribi wɔ hɔ no ana yɛsikyɛ yare nso a yɛbɛka kyerɛw obi yɛbɛkyerɛw asikyɛ aduro a ɛbɛboa wo sɛ yɛ hypertension a yɛbɛkyerɛw yɛntumi ɛnkasa bi a ɛhawe na kɔkɔfa wɔ ne yare no ba na yɛakɔ akɔfa ani yare nkasa aduro na ɛde ama wɔ abrɛ a ade korɔ na ɛde baeɛ no yɛntumi ɛntu ase ɛmfa ma wo nti mesa de numbers na to dwa bio sorry 0559 90 12 34 0559 90 12 34 and 0596 19 88 84 0596 19 88 mintimi sorry wa me papa de I was saying salute no papa akra baby a obi a sofata House of Jacob Chapel me chia ne baby obi a ene blood and body night na sans wa kosubio ba na be je wadanse pe se moja ni mu emu adanse ni bi na metia no be se ma babo na nti sei ansana benya adwuma no kwa ne moja ene kasai mesro bibia se obi ambra krofom ha se ya baby a gas filling station e hye na oba ho a House of Jacob yebejo first nye ne wasom nyame sha mu nya
me se paddock nyame Charles agomia ye hwe kakre ye hwe ye mrante ne che obeba be dukuma ase and other news e bobo de ba no ye wram na apostle so yakra na
ye nchetiefo mani da so kwa no achia apostle je bia maye abu me pese the stories in the tonche because Chrisutina can sim bi o ma we have to focus on the game. See, I can't see the no will disrupt the match in that particular instance of the day you whether say you so only club no very tired and I said national team you made this all of these things.
See, listen, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it because a lot of you young men mean blame baby by amunya butre. A lot of you have not had opportunity we are journalists to be closer to national teams. First of all, the day are you on train for 5 years?
Dabi.
Good. Okay, I said 2010 World Cup. Don't name the injury situation still have here.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. When the coach decides, there were several factors. Ma Asundwe, Kroye, Bakuye, Onyado, any just from camp near the bread to me or quite fast. Now, Kwan Bibrin so any coach one idea. Now, in the day's case, is the captain of the side. Your name may be any comobia any place ahead of games. Name ye dear. And I said before the game, your name may be or when G a man kabum back camp. So you will need him around, even if on Bokra we hear any presence around. To make sure that we're a crucial game for the Black Stars. My review and qualify you. You lose the game where you qualify.
Yeah.
To have Abidjan. Where you enter Nigeria or couple principles out of me or qualify that. We are not in that situation. And to near me be a embu no ye ko break ye ko sena eden. We don't need on needless problem at this time. Debbie. Ye here some to make sure that gender to qualify for Abidjan 2024 you qualify. And the near me be a year so far and you're bad there. Any mere result, including the presence of the captain, the role he plays in inspiring, encouraging, and psyching Colano. Because of the facts, don't forget that he's been there since 2008. He's been there. On him near my difficult times. how our young players almost need that level of experience at this stage. For instance, Central Africa was the first half never be draw na to the be media. There are maybe obeka words be edu samre na obeka chere players na omo you know be enemy.
Also a form wache unzidi sitie.
So munti asie musua de say there are a lot of factors and my picky player my used to be Pierre. Yeah picky especially they are captains Pierre not a captain at that time. Omo presence wo camp no near my team ye. Emma asumdwe in Kambom Abema players are prepared for the battle. So it's not whether he's attached or it's not attached, it's not the point, it's irrelevant to the point. The subject matter we are discussing is the fact that he is the captain of the side and our near maybe football no near ma mumu park no so you're just 5%.
Near mana you who know you bear 5%.
Yes. Look, as a captain, one of the things I was picking from Stephen Appiah, this is about one-on-one about them when who didn't come is something that he has very and your captain be a captain.
Did he 2 money?
So that's why he's close to Stephen Appiah. So they say. And to say near mano players be what I feel a be a bim first time they call up. There's a way out first timer. Or no, he's experienced that in 2000. Okay, only like incident. No. So or no the coin be said we coaching team you. Never way senior players na enyo mu nyina nipa onim yo Newcastle how obe usher player no kra in first time so we initiate no first time oba e come be faso ni be kasa na come be Tony obe accepted so a part of the team the se coach so the day ba se be ball na mo hu no me se be me ka se ball no mu young guys oba se mu nya botresu mu bibiri and the issue about say they do a club and I don't want to is irrelevant to this particular course. Yeah, we are no subsequently. If they are going to play some tougher gaming, those subjects will come up. As to how long what time for yeah, but way you know, this is a crucial game, and I'm saying that his leadership is needed. If you want Bokra, near more Bayer where chairman result about Chenya Bobby. So yes, every captain, very good captain, does that. Our best captain is Stephen Appiah. One of the you have no idea the things that we cheer out to me. Sometimes national team, you have to talk up to me, see players minute. How you even solve it? I would take his as the captain. Very important. How neutral? A normal disagreement. But side disagreement, I solve a couple so a pass from one. Yeah. Obo crowd this game because a last qualifier. The confidence crowd camp crowd we born not about but all of a sudden ahead of this game about national team grab 6 years so ahead of this game now I say training crowd I say why but TB you need a captain to encourage him let him understand near my expecting for this game near my saw here and so please your mra yeah agro ni
but we dey mind in the agro
we the Chris-Hughton Anyeshi rather I'll give you an example of what happened before when 2010 World Cup. You have no idea the special treatment here said Capitol for him to be there. The presence was also you saw it.
About the one I will be car. Top tier steady abroad consults them and canva Jones and Yaroba Kwaku Rama Manone, Wakwaku Sian, the Anima de Yepa, Eddie Amana Senate high school for no winner grace in a year. Your Boaji scholarship demand be a partial, be a fool, and an open so Coco to us with bachelor's degree, masters, postgraduate diploma, and certificate doctorate degree programs. So US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. Nina Robert Saturday, a Boachen conform mucha, and IELTS and any tofono, necessary graduate and a graduate student, no more a 20 year papa, was on qua ombre, Nina. And they say, oh, yeah, Juma, now so soon, no, now, oh, yeah, Juma, I'm a church for us, do you cry, and fear doing what in adaptation, and yet the open more cry. Medina Royal Circle, CCA Gun Plaza, also Medina Polyclinic, 0203 592-008 and then Krina man Kumasi or Wadichi Makum traffic light or Mobile Bank of Africa. Kumasi number is 0260-411-847 0260-411-847 Afitakrade or more Eben NK City Fire Service if young Quanta Quino or Mobile Fija School Park 0598 007-852 0598-007-852 Medana oh coming.
Yes. Made a medical guy says those some issues in the medical they give me the name. And you give me we attend to most of these issues about Chris-Hughton in seminar Okay, can with the interview. Now, the most important aspect of whatever I want to see, the euphoria is down.
I will form pa.
I will form. I will form pa. I will form pa.
All the way, no, there one chance you can once and for crying in the game near your
That be,
of course. Game no,
no, that's our time we see not did any see. You're crying out pressure.
But I'm too late. I'm coming to say me job.
And the euphoria is very, very down. And where even a crucial gamer. I was sitting make issues. You need a win.
Fans number and qualify. Wait, that is game way. Son, I say I do a fans game. Game crucial. Say no. We have fans no a bomb. On board Central Africa.
You see, I've spoken about one, and you might be determining the Paradise Stadium. Your publicity, how am I for baby? The taste and preference of blaster game you ever come. Already know. Let me state this: the prices are not even favorable in the first place.
I know me. I had issues. I didn't want to.
The prices are not favorable in the first place. Abu, menkaso once and car price in it say no san ka juma.
We were 2 weeks.
What did I say? They were prices in it here. There was a comma year juma come bebre.
We post so we'll come back.
Iti Abu when they am pe kwan bi o me fa so I me say 150, 70, 50. 30 no di padodo na benya akonya kwako pie mu akwako so to so for wedding.
I mean tie Ghana for adwin.
But they should push harder.
Oh give no. Yeah, 4 minutes my 4 more. 0551931931054893105489319. Odiani baby Alfrefi.
International Oyibo national me dey do advertising for papa PFC.
Ya go.
Na Abu Befia January ejuma na moye no. Mu se ti ade na mu fi ade. The day are you? They're not Tepete Afeno.
Dabi.
You're Tepete Ana.
Dabi.
Now,